Welcome back. What's up, people? I got out of class a little bit early, so now I'm back. I ate lunch. We're live, having fun. Here we go, everybody. Amy's having a day and a half right now, currently up about 3.6%. We got SPY moving around a little bit. Tiger's absolutely killing it. How you guys doing? Hopefully everybody's having a good afternoon. Honestly, I kind of like the midday break. Not gonna lie, we might go back to doing 2 streams a day with a little bit of a lunch break. That might be the plan. But all right, this is bullshit. I can't come back on and we get a fucking red candle. That's not allowed. None of this is allowed. Like, we cannot have any of that. Like, come on now. Come on now. What is this BS? All right, guys. Again, as you guys are filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like on the stream. It helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's have some fun going in the afternoon. Huh? Let's have a little bit of fun, huh? Not allowed. Yeah, what is this nonsense? All right, 1810. Solid. Jimmy, up 4.5% on the day. SPY, back into the other box here, going pretty wild. Tiger's still doing good. I love these Tiger calls. I'm having a lot of fun with those. Hope says you're fun. Well, I don't. Okay. All right. So Amy 1813 trying to pull back up here a little bit. We're getting some comments from the Fed. Showing die already. I can't be comfortable, bro. I can't be comfortable. Fed Evans want to adjust the balance sheet very carefully. All right. So these comments from Evans right now aren't really doing all that much. The market's just kind of flatlined right here. So Jimmy and Amy kind of flickering around a little bit here. Tiger's still up a shitload. Watch on Tiger this little 245 breakout. Did I go to class? I did go to class. I did my presentation. We got out early, and now I'm back. But I do like the lunch breaks, I think. We might go back to doing that. I don't know. We'll see. But again, guys, as you're filtering in here, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream helps spread this stream out to some more people, lets people know that I'm back live. I appreciate it. We're going to have some fun. Tiger, 244.49. Ethereum done for the day, probably. That thing was getting sparked. All right, let's do a little bit of an Ortex update as everybody's filtering in over here. What do we got? All right. Net return of 450,000 shares, 19.45% estimated short interest, 1.92% average cost borrow, 2.13% max. YOLO scaled in some SPY Putins. Okay, well, please don't YOLO do anything. Please no YOLOing, everybody. This is not allowed. You cannot be doing the YOLOing. It's just not. This is not how we do things around here, people. It's just not. I'm sorry. We cannot do that. You do seem rejuvenated. That's what I'm thinking. I need a little bit of a break during the day. I think that's what we got to do. All right, 1812 on Amy. Oh, what's up, Ben? How you doing, buddy? How'd the presentation go? Dude, I present for a living. I'm good. Let's see. Since last week, they just keep returning shares for some reason. Yeah. I don't know why. I mean, it doesn't make a whole lot of sense as to how they're doing this, but we'll see. Only YOLO is our SPY 500 calls. Facts, bro. Facts. All right. Let's see. Where were you today? I was here in the morning, and then I had to go do a class presentation, and then I have to do it again on Thursday, which sucks. I can't hang out with you guys all day. Which, I mean, well, yeah, it's fine. All right. Everybody, let's see what we're going to get today. We got Amy at 1813. Let's see if we can get a nice little pop coming back up here. We got SPY up 1.28%. What was everybody trading? I mean, the Tigers are looking really good. So we'll hold those for a while, see how that thing goes. But you think 200 rejection as well? Sam, on what time frame? Oh, what's up, Dave? How you doing? SCB SPY 420 by Friday. That sounds a bit aggressive. Like, yeah, we have a lot of people from the Fed speaking. Do I think that they're going to capitulate the entire stock market? No. No. Everyone tells you to go to class, then wonder where you are when you do. Exactly. I'm like, I was in class, people. I was in class. We're good to go now, though. We're good. We're chilling. Live stream next class presentation? No. You guys get to see me present every day. Oh, the 1 hour 200? I was like, that's a bit aggressive there, man. Retail up. I mean, yeah, Tiger's doing good. IWM on a moon mission? Still, or I mean, it's probably fizzled, I'm guessing. I mean, it's not like it's I mean, it's still up there. This is what Lockheed used to look like. It was just like, walking around town to show off my ankles. Nah. Now the market falls when SCV is back. Jinx. The market's not falling. Dude, we're at 1816. I don't want to hear it. The first candle, though, was red when I came on here. It was red. It was a little bit of a red boy. All right, let's see. GME. I want to see GME above 150 today. Did it hit 150? 148.65. It still got a ways to go here. Amy above 1850 would be a little spicy. 1850 is max pain. So, are we gonna get to max pain? Most likely. All right, let's see what happens. You don't like SCB's classes, but it does make Amy go up. Dude, the 3 times I've had to go to class the last couple of weeks, like 2 weeks, Amy's gone up. This is bullshit. This is number 1 bullshit. All right, let's see. Woo! You guys are killing it on the likes right now. I appreciate that, people. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, people. All right, let's get it going over here, huh? I'm glad you went to class. What college do you plan on attending after high school? Haha, very funny. All right, let's see. 1815 on Amy. Tiger looking decent. Check, check, check all night long. What is that, Ben Levine? Thoughts on Baba puts? Alibaba? Getting some Alibaba puts over here? Maybe it's fizzling at the 200. You could maybe say a little bit of a head and shoulders here, but and then Amy's just hugging this 13 EMA. Also, if you get that 5-minute MACD crossing back up, ooh, baby, that could be spicy. Snap new day high. Snap, I mean, you could play the run up. It's just dangerous. Ooh, that's a candle. That's a candle right there. Is Mullen still getting hit? I haven't checked. Probably. That would be my guess. Mullen's just kind of flatlining today. I mean, it is flickering around a little bit, but it's just kind of flatline. All right, 1816 on Amy. Let's see. Actually, let's pull up some levels on Amy. Okay, well, that's silly. Where is this right here? That's 22. What's this one? 1940. Oh, there's one at Don Julio. That's pretty cool on the 4 hour. All right. Well, see, this is just, you cannot have this on TradingView. What are you doing over here, TradingView? I mean, the high is going to be 1818 is going to be a level of resistance right here. All right, let's see. Currently at 1814. Let's see what IWM is going to do. Mullen's coming down. Jimmy's just kind of hanging around that 200 here. You never know how to play earnings. You just get both, dude. You get both. Why did I abandon you? Because I'm trying to graduate now. Now I'm trying to graduate. I mean, like, sort of. I don't know. Tiger, what are we doing here? Tiger, go. 245 breakout on Tiger would be dirty. Is Ben Shapiro bullish on AMC? I don't know, man. I don't know. But Amy's looking pretty freaking good right now. Pretty freaking good over here. Let's see. Okay, well, that's good to know. Yeah. Tried to become a member on Discord. Told me I needed to update the app, but not enough space on your phone to update. Only have 2 apps on my phone. Phone ain't even 10 years old yet. Dude, they don't want you making money with 1348. They don't want you making money. You had to bail on your Tiger following the rules under the 5-minute 13. Yeah, mine are for May. So you probably are up a shitload. Like if you look at this on the 4 hour, this is. I mean, what more can you ask for on the 4 hour? C's get degrees. Yeah, we'll see. We talk to in the daily chart on Tiger just looks dirty. So I mean, I'm gonna hold these for a while. Amy pop, Amy little pop. I think that Tiger could be a really nasty trade running up into their earnings. So we'll see what happens. You're more important than school. I guess so. Now you are. I just you read my DM. I sent you. I didn't. You need to read the DM. Gotcha. Whoa. That's what you're gonna sell it for? That's crazy. There you go, Ryan. Cash the fuck out, pal. All right, Amy's just kind of flickering around between 1810 and 1820 right now. It's just like up, down, up, down, up, down in a little channel over here around the 13 EMA. We want that 5-minute MACD to come back to life over here. We also want target to break 245. So let's see if we get anything from the Fed that's like, yay, we'll be good to go. Let's see here. Yo, SCV stream is hidden. All right, guys. Here's what we do about that. Everybody hit that like on the stream. Tell YouTube's algorithm to go fuck themselves. And let's not be hidden on YouTube over here. You guys are killing it so far. I really appreciate it. But YouTube's being janky. So you guys don't mind helping out a little bit. That's all I ask for around here. What time's the Fed talk? I believe it's daily. I think daily speaking now. Oh, Adam Aaron tweet 7 minutes ago. Hold on. Here's my here's AMC and my favorite actress, the wonderful Nicole Kidman. Oh, he's talking about a new movie coming out. Oh, that's cool. YouTube wants a bigger cut. They decide it. If they said this is what it is now, that would be what it is. There's nothing I can do about it. Yeah, it was 12:05. I pulled up to this live every day for weeks, yet you're never talking about AMC. You just touch on AMC. I talk about AMC all the time, Aaron, and then I make videos about it all the time. So if this is like you don't talk about AMC, I'd rather not deal with any of that nonsense today. It's just, why are we doing that? Heard bots were pushing sales around 20 to 25 on AMC over the weekend. Think the algorithm was moving the price that way? Nah. It could be. I mean, the chart doesn't look. I mean, the thing is like, where is it? Where is it on the 4-hour right now? Is it back above the 13? Yeah. I mean, closing candles above the 13 and the 25 would be nice. I would like that. Then you just have to contend with the 48 and the 200. You can get, if we can get above the 200, right above Don Julio, that'd be nice, man. That would be really nice. I had to look for the stream. Did I eat my chicken today? I did. I did it right as I got back from what do you call it? Right as I got back from my thingy. My class. Mark, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. I think you meant Neil Young, not Neil Diamond. Oh, bringing back an old joke. I love to see it, Mark. Thank you for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Yeah, and then yesterday you guys were like, you make videos? And I was like, bro. What? All right, Tiger, let's go. Amy, 1811, chilling over here. We got Jimmy trying to get a little bit of action here. Come on. Come on, Jimmy. Amy and Jimmy, let's go. Little 5-minute MACD crosses. Bring them back up. I'd love to see Amy above Max Payne. That'd be pretty sweet. Then I rinse my... All right, none of that. Oh, you're not selling? You're pulling some equity out of it? Yeah, dude, that's ridiculous. Ryan, you're killing it right there. Just pull it out. YOLO, bro. Just kidding. Don't YOLO. You used half your AMC allowance yesterday. Not financial advice, but you think I should wait another day or two for the next half? Okay, this is the thing about any type of... If you're buying shares to hold for a specific amount of time, it does not matter. If you think it's going to be negligible, it's going to be a negligible difference. If you're going to... Especially if you're not like buying with like really big amounts of money, it's a negligible difference if you think the price is going to be a lot higher in the future. Like you're going to buy at 18.10 or 17. It's like, okay, you're not even getting an extra shit. It's like you would need to... It doesn't really matter. Do your professors know you got a YouTube thing going on? Now they do. Did they wonder who the stranger in class was? Yeah, maybe. All right, 1810 on Amy. It's just kind of flickering around in this range. Tiger is just a beast. Jimmy, 147.66, doing its thing over here. Milk first, cereal second. Nah, nope. Not if you want to make an absolute... Amy, you motherfucker. No, stop it. Nope. I'm telling you no. Amy, I'm telling you right now that this type of behavior is not going to be tolerated today. Yep, that's what I thought. Come on. You had a plan on possibly running covered calls on a portion of your shares and mess around with the wheel. Look, how'd that work out for Amy? I look away for 1 second. You try to fuck around again. This is why we have trust issues, Amy. This is why we have trust issues. When I look away, you do this nonsense. Come on, just be nice. Let's see. Go to class. Price action was better. Oh, funny. Did your teachers ask for Mikey's number? Nah, they didn't. But we don't have the Mikey alarm going off today, so that means that Mikey knew that it was time to go. We're still above 18 here. Tiger's still looking good. Jimmy's still holding up nicely here. SPY going down. Yeah, this is IWM on the bottom left. We can throw it back on SPY. If SPY's going to start selling, which it kind of is, then we're probably going to come down with it. All you talk about is AMC. All right, guys. Again, as you're filtering in here, hit that like on the stream. Helps out a whole lot. Gets more people in here. Let's see what we're going to get. We don't talk about going to class. You don't want to give up any of your shares? Yeah, I don't either. That's why I don't do it. You could, though, and make some decent money on it. All right, let's see. Oil. Where's oil? Oh, my God. WTI crude's down 5%. Brent's down 5%. Natural. Whoa. Dude. Natural gas is down 10% today after going on an absolute moon mission. Jeez. All right. Amy's still above 18 over here, looking solid. Class plus ex-girlfriend equals Amy to the moon. Dude, the timing is just it's weird. The timing is just very strange. All right. Ethan, that's because I literally just came back on. I just came back like 15 minutes ago. What would you do if Amy had a 100% or 200 plus day while you were stuck in class? I'd probably just run away and die. You ignored the market all day, turn on your TD, and your SPY calls up 200%. Word, Jay Rizzle, if you're trading options and you just leave it there, you should not do that. Because one, yeah, it could either be at like down 80% or it could be up 200%. Is that worth the risk? No. Why am I on my personal Twitter account? That's just weird. Saba got sparked today. Knew it. Wait, this is a different one. Yeah, that's not the one. Oh, you're talking about Casa. Never talk about Hood anymore. All these YouTubers are the same. Turning your back on us after you made back off of us. All right, 1805 on Amy. SPY's trying to get back into the box here. Jimmy. Ooh. Jimmy sneaking around over here, doing something suspicious. Where's my tiger? Tiger, you better roar up there, pal. Welcome back. Miss you, boyfriend? Please don't ever call me your boyfriend. Let's see. All right, let's see. What should you do with your 5K? New to this. Learn. Don't ask people on the internet what to do with your money. That's what you should do. Highcroft, 420. Woo! What's it now? It's down 1.5%. Subi, I like the hype, but she's not there right now, pal. Dada is alive. What's the level is the bottom of your box? This one is like 443.50. Amy still above 18. Spicy, spicy, spicy. I want Tiger. I want to hit like another nasty Tiger trade for you guys. I try. I know, man. I know. You are trying over here. You are trying. Been using CCI as an indicator. Pretty good results. Just a fancy RSI. Ooh, interesting. We could try that out. Is it on Weeble or is it on Thinkorswim? All right, let's see. Again, guys, as you're coming in here, make sure you guys hit that like on the stream. We are back now. So let's get everybody back in here having some fun. We got a while left in the market today. We got about 3 hours, 15 minutes that we're going to be messing around, looking at stocks, calling stuff out, seeing what the Fed's going to do, maybe even go on a couple of rants to make Amy go up. Amy to 69 by the end of the day. Okay, well, that would be interesting. Trade desk is ripping. Yeah, trade. Whoa. Did they split or something? Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, I remember the trade desk being, yeah, split right here. That's what it is. I was going to say, there's no way TTD's at 65. You threaten Amy with a rant and she goes green out of fear. I know. Yeah, TTD's ripping. This little cross in the morning right here, bloop, right here at 63 down to 65. Woo! It's from Rounders. Have I not seen it yet? I've never seen it. I should probably watch that. I should probably get on that, right? All right. The 30-year-old they sent you said you never responded to her. Oh, whoops. Rounders in your top. Isn't that with Matt Damon? That sounds like a good movie. I like Matt Damon movies. How do you like them apples? Favorite movies? Maybe I'll watch that when I have time this weekend. Is it on like a streaming service right now? Or are you guys gonna get mad at me that I like watch streaming services and like only don't go to the movies? Is that the thing? Is that like weird of me to say that like I have an account? No, I know it's a poker movie. I know what it is. I've just never seen it. All your 3048 is going to shorting Ethereum. Sam is so funny, bro. Every single time everybody comes in here and tries to get like a little bit FOMO-y on a stock, Sam's like, nope, fuck you. I'm shorting it. It's so funny. It works though. Like I'm not saying it doesn't work. No, I'll watch Rounders before I watch Airplane. Ed Norton and John Malkovich. Ooh, that sounds good. Yes, for Mad, you have streaming services. Okay, then okay, so then I'm gonna throw this right back at you. Technically, you watch me. I'm a streamer on a streaming service, sort of, called YouTube. So what's the deal here, people? Glad you're going to class again, Pops. It's not because I'm choosing to. It's because I had to go for a presentation. It was like I had to be there. Dude, TTD is ripping. Well, I want this on Amy over here. Amy, 1809. There we go. Oh, it's on HBO. Cool. Musk is planning to launch tender offer for Twitter in 10 days or so. New York Post citing sources. Uh-oh. And the battle continues with Elon Musk being a big G and trying to take over Twitter. Twitter, a little pop on that. Twitter got a pop on that. This is awesome. Watch Limitless so you can get your royalties. I've seen Limitless. I like Limitless. Limitless is a good movie. Limitless is a very solid movie. Good point. Work something out with AA to get your daily stream in theaters. That would be hilarious. That would be bad. It'd be like rated PG-13 or R. I don't know, for the language sometimes, because we do talk about smoking crack. Let's see. Jack Dorsey has voiced his distrust of the Twitter board. Oh, is that something? Is that something else coming out? I haven't seen that, unless that's like a news little thing on the news coming out. But yeah, Elon's gonna continue with this. Elon appears to have ample access to debt financing for his Twitter bid, but is an LBO the best way for him to buy it? Oh, fucking Gasparino. Get out of here, Gasparino. Gasparino's no, absolutely not. You wish you had enough balls to play biotech. Okay, unless like it's M. Kriegs is like this is the good one, then I'd say no because I don't have. The thing is that you have to have like experience in the industry to know what's good and know what's shit. I don't. M. Kriegs knows. Where do you get your real-time news from? Like the info you just gave on Twitter, it's not even in your TDA news because I'm a genius. Just kidding. I see this every day. You follow fast stock news on Twitter, turn on notifications, you get the news over there. I'm back. I am Nas. You said you were getting all upset that I was going to leave you, and now I'm back. So again, guys, as you're filtered in here, hit that like on the stream. Help get the stream out to some more people. Amy's up 3.43% today, 1808. Spy's coming back up a little bit. Where's Tiger? Where's my Tiger? My Tiger is up. Well, my contracts are up 60%. That's beautiful. Tiger itself, 244.58. Tiger gets a 245 breakout. Sayonara. Not really, but like it could run a little bit more off that. You've missed me way too much. Why did you leave you? I had to do a presentation, dude, about this dude named Edward, who was trying to buy a real estate property in Boston, and he just like completely was fucking up everything. And I just got to sit there and just roast Edward. It was like a case study. Can you go again, SCB to class? It might go up again. It's going up right now. It was going up when I was leaving. I knew right as I left, I was like, fuck, it's going up. Did I learn anything from that presentation? No, I didn't learn. No. Well, I did learn something. Sometime in Massachusetts, you have to personally guarantee some of the mortgages. That sounds terrifying, especially if it's a rental property and you get some dumbass in there that's just going to be like, I don't know, smoking crack. Like, oh, we got the boys back in here. What's up, Narkel? How you guys doing? So yeah, I would rather, unless I could sign it with like an LLC or something, and just have the business sign for it. No investment properties, Massachusetts for me. The photoshopped image of Gasparino at the gym on Twitter yesterday was so funny. Dude, I was literally like, all right, what's going on Twitter? I'm scrolling through and I saw that and I was like, whoa, no, thank you. All right, 1808 on Amy over here. Slightly caress the like button. You had to search. Yeah, guys, keep hitting that like button. Helps out a whole lot, getting this stream out to some more people. Wait, when did Lou start streaming daily? Give it out 1348 alerts. Is Lou copying it too now? Is Lou hopping on the bandwagon? I know it's a joke. He would not do that. But, you know. Slightly caress the like button. All right, Amy, 1807. I mean, max pain for this week right now is 1850. So I mean, that's the weird thing. See, here's the weird thing. Like when we're below max pain and people are like, let's get to max pain. It's like, well, you're saying I want all retail to basically lose money. It's the weirdest thing because max pain's the price that the most amount of these contracts on either side are going to expire worthless. So it's like, let's make the market maker the most money. And it's like, oh man. He's giving away. Let's see. You chose class over smoking crack. I'm not happy. Sorry, man. Sorry. Apologize. I'll be worse next time. All right, 1807 over here. We're up pretty decent. Dude, these targets. My targets. Absolutely. Oh, come on, Target. What you doing here, pal? What are your grades right now? Is there's a chance you won't graduate? There's one class that I have to take 2 tests for that are like gonna be a nightmare. So we'll see. I don't know. Remember, you can always smoke crack after class. That's true. You can always, I mean, why would you smoke crack after? I feel like, all right, never mind. Square calls printing. Calls on almost anything today are printing, guys. Like calls on almost anything, unless it's like inverse or like Caterpillar or something crazy. Square is a firm running. I mean, Square's up 6%. How's a firm today? Is a firm being behaved or no? A firm, yeah. See, a firm is still doing those moves. The problem with a firm, if you fail, I'm unsubscribing. Yeah, whatever. No, you won't. Number letters. You love me too much. I'm just kidding. But a firm, like, even on these crossovers, like, yeah, you can make a little bit on this move, but then it sharks. It's still up 5.3% on the day, but you have to deal with this nonsense here. Whereas with Square, look, cross, run. It just go. It's all smooth. You don't have to deal with like the emotions of like, oh, I'm up 30%. Oh shoot, now I'm down 15. Is it going to tank or is it going to continue back up? That's the problem with a firm. A firm's going to give you a little bit more money if it runs. Like today is probably gnarly, but you got to deal with a lot of that nonsense. Average days on loan. Is that what you want? Average days on loan? It's a lot. It's like 80 something. Whoa. 94.3. Huh. Huh. Oh. I have an idea. I have an idea what this is. They're not. How? When did it? So it came down here. Where's this? March 3rd. Oh, funny. All right. And then it's just been mooning. So they stopped shorting it for a little bit. The only shorting that's coming in is market makers. Ooh. I like this. This is interesting. Because average days on loan is going to tell you, like, if average days on loan is coming down, it means they're shorting it right now. You see, because when shares are going out on loan now, the average day of a share being out on loan, remember, like if it goes out today, it's 0. If they get returned, it goes out. But the average days on loan right now is 94 days. That's the highest we've ever seen it. So this would appear as if they are not really shorting it now. And remember, who have I been saying is the biggest problem in this whole situation as to why the price is doing what it's doing? Who is it? Take a guess. Everybody should know this right now. Everybody should know this. Market makers, prime brokers, the market makers. Exactly. My dog. No, market makers. So, Lou. No, it's not Lou. Kenny, exactly. Now, this, if they're short exempting, which they easily could be, because they could just be like, oh, we're just short exempting, it won't show up as shares on loan. Gabe, it's not Gabe. Hedge funds. It's not hedge funds. If the hedge funds were attacking this right now, you would see this move right here in average days on loan. 300% on TTD, still ripping. There you go. Chin. No, it's market makers. So if the market makers are just taking the other side of the trade over here and just like short exempt, shorting it up and recycling them. Then it won't show up in these shares on loan. And we've also seen shares on loan flatlining. This is interesting here. Can I go more into depth about how they hide short interest in the options chain? Yeah. So it has to do with you can do stuff with like deep in the money calls too. So a lot of it is like selling. So there's either selling deep in the money calls or buying deep in the money put or deep out of the money puts. The in the money call stuff makes more sense in my mind. What they're doing is they're essentially meeting their they're making it appear as if they can meet their broker's closeout requirement when they actually cannot. So they'll take a little bit of a hit on those. So what they do is it's called a buy right trade. So they'll write the covered call, they'll buy a synthetic long from the market maker. And then it meets their broker's closeout requirement, but it allows them to continue these short positions. And when you think about FTDs, like, wasn't there a day around like March where like the FTDs were over 1 million? Like when you see that, it's like, oh shit. This is going to be interesting. Would that not appear in the FTDs? It does, but the FTDs were higher. Or it just doesn't because they close them out right away. So they'll short exempt it. And this is the thing, they'll like push it down, but the closing transaction won't be enough to bring it all the way back up because they're still doing it, if that makes sense. Ooh, this is interesting. All right, guys. Again, hit that like on the way in. YouTube's being a little janky over here. So if you guys don't mind engaging with the content, hitting that like button on the stream, it helps out a whole lot over here. You guys were coming here earlier before they ran. Any way to adjust that? Top optionable stocks? What time frame is that? Is that I'm not sure what you're looking at over here. Oh, I think it's flow. Yeah, that's flow. It's just, that's just flow on it. You're getting a little bit of options flow on it. That's not like an alert system. So you got like a little bit of options flow on it. Tiger going? Ooh, let's go, Tiger. 245 Tiger. Here we go. Let's get that 245 breakout. New data highs on Tiger. What's up with cost to borrow? Shares on loan isn't high enough to get to jack up the cost to borrow enough yet. What are these Tigers up now? 65% or something? Yeah, 66.5% on these Tigers here. This Tiger trade could be like really, really dirty. We'll see though. If it hits 100%, I'll probably make it free, take some money back, and then be good to go. Oh man, this thing is just mooning here. Tiger. Woo! Love it. What the fuck is Tiger? It's Target, bro. It's Target. How do you not know this by now? Target's ripping. I love it. Spy, do something. It's just hovering around the box here. Amy's at 1806. Jimmy's flickering around. Tiger's just running here. I love it. I love it. Here we go. Amy just kind of flatlining here. We got about 3 hours left. Let's see what we're going to get going into the end of it. Charge point. Is it running too? Yeah, charge point's an interesting one. Can't they use borrowed shares to cover FTDs? Yeah, they can. They can do that. Oh, my Target, dude. Oh, we're about to get that 5-minute MACD cross, too. Oh, I like it. Spy's trying to come back up here a little bit. Let's see if he can break that 13 EMA, get a 5-minute MACD cross, too. Send Amy up, send Target up, send everything up, and let's make some money. It's Tiger Coin. No. If it holds 245, that's going to be really bullish. Charge point's ripping. Charge point. What do we got? Yeah, charge point running up. Yeah, charge point really ripping. Oh, this is like at those levels too where I was trading charge point. It was like the 1650s and the 1750s were the good ones. Those are the good ones that we were trading a lot of. Bing bong. The price is wrong. What time are the market killers speaking? They already did. There's only one today, I believe. And then is Bullard tonight? No, Kashkari's tonight at 8. Did you miss it? Miss what? Oh, dude. This could be the play of a what do you call it? If Tiger has 2 more days like this with like a lot of time to expiration, oh, it's a done deal on these contracts. Powell's Thursday. So we're going to get Powell. I think it's at 1 on Thursday. Let me look. Might be 2. Powell's at 1 p.m. speaking on the global economy to the IMF. So what did the Fed say? Basically everything that we already know. That's essentially what they do. All right, Tiger, hold that 245. Don't you fuck around here, pal. You wish you had just bought 10K of Tiger calls 2 weeks ago. I wish that I YOLO'd my whole net worth into Amy calls in the June run-up. But I didn't. Earnings plays tonight? Nah, the only earnings trade that I like this week, Snap. I love Snap earnings. Look at this. So this is what I want you guys to look at on Snap for earnings. This is how I do things typically. So you go on the Webull chart. What happens? Okay. This is the earnings date. It goes from, wait. Oh, okay. So this is what happened. This was the Facebook gap down. So Facebook gets slaughtered on their earnings. Snap goes from 31 to 24. Then Snap the next day reports their earnings and goes from like 24 to 40. Okay, so Snap moves big on earnings. What happened their last earnings? Oh, boom, big gap down from 75 to what's this? 57. Huge move on earnings. Okay, what happens here? Oh, shit. 63 to 76. Big move on earnings. What's this one? Dud. Well, I mean, that's not really a dud. 58 to 62. That's not terrible. Okay. Now, a little bit of a dud. Now, this one over here, 28, 35. So on the majority of Snapchat's earnings, it moves huge. So the market's going to price that in. But if you want to get some next weeks on it and play it pretty deep out of the money, like you're going to be all right as long as you have the proper risk management framework in. Any single time that you're trading an earnings triangle, once you buy it, consider that money gone. Because if it doesn't hit, those contracts are going to zero quickly. It's a low probability, high potential for profit play. Or no. Yeah. Low probability play, but a high potential for profit. At a glance, when would you start buying AMC options when the price holds 19 on the 4-hour candle? This is when I would start buying AME options. It's the same thing as last time. You need 1348 cross on the 4-hour. So we need that. Then we want closing candles above the 200. Now, I wouldn't necessarily buy all of the money, like all of the contracts that I wanted then. I would start scaling in, and then I would look for the daily. So I would look for the daily cross, the daily MACD cross, and the closing candles above the 200. That's what I would start to look for. The last time this happened, though, the first closing candle, we had the halt day. So they knew exactly what happened. The first closing candle above the 200 EMA on the daily, which we had not done since fucking November, where even earlier. Yeah, November of last year, we got that halt nonsense. You could always sell the strangle instead of buying them. That's more risky. You should condor it instead. Up 350% on the trade desk. There you go, buddy. There you freaking go. What am I up on Tiger? 66.5%. Fuck yeah. Are the criminal market makers on vacation this week, or is the algo broken? They're waiting on the Geek Squad to fix it. It's more of I mean, look at average days on loan. Like when you're looking at it, it's like they're not shorting it right now. They're just not. It's market makers filling the order on the other side. They're like, nope. Fill. This is not normal shorting. So again, guys, as you're filtering in here, if you don't mind hitting that like on the stream again, trying to get this stream out to some more people. YouTube's jerking around with us in the afternoon today, which is fine. I mean, we did mess around. We did go according to schedule. NZT, what are you saying now? I think you auto-corrected there to something a little bit more wild than you were expecting to say. But yeah. What do I think of Palantir? Long term, I think it's good. If people can understand it and understand like their corporate like compensation structure and not freak out when they see things, I mean, you're good to go. Someone say tacos, dude. I could go for tacos, dude. I miss Taco Tuesday. I should start doing that on my own. Taco Tuesday. I should do that. I miss Taco Tuesday and pasta. Taco Tuesday and pasta. I miss that shit. Let's see. Let's see. All right. 1811 on Amy, trying to get a little bit of a movement back up here, which would be nice. I would like to see it. What do you say? You should scroll back up. Tacos are easy to make and cheap. Yeah. Britain to avoid some G20 meetings with Russia. Oh, so they're just like, nope. Cold shoulder. Spaghetti tacos? Yeah, no, I'm not really gonna consent to that, but I mean, to each his own. AMC adding to 13, same pattern, fake bounce. Reverse Wednesday, price is what they want. Yeah, I mean, if you can hold the 13 on the 4 hour, I would say no. If you can start trending back up, I would also say no. I mean, you could be right. It could be coming down. Let's see. All right, folks. 1813 on Amy trying to come back up here. Tiger is still trying to get back above 245. Spy's just flatlined at the bottom of this box here. Sombrero stream incoming. I mean, I like the hoodie. 1815 on Amy. What's the day high? 1831. We can do better than that, people. We can do better than that. All right, so let's see. We got GME starting to move up here a little bit. We got Tiger hunting that 245. I mean, you guys are killing. The trade desk is killing it over here. Yeah, TTD is just ripping. Fish tacos are good. I am a fan of fish tacos. Fish tacos are fire. All right, let's see what we're going to get here, folks. You're 50% Sicilian. That's pretty cool. 1816 on Amy. Jimmy, what's the day high on Jimmy? 148.65. Oh, it could do that in a candle. Yeah, Amy's moving up here. Let's see if we can break that 1820. This is going to be a level over here. Hold on. Where's this on the 5? Yeah, so what's this? Like 8. Oh, this is the 1831 day high. TTD is still ripping. Is this earnings? What the hell happened with this? App loving? Sounds like McDonald's. They're app loving it. Why don't you have SUV's Cougar come make you some fish tacos? I mean, I do like fish tacos. So, I mean, if anybody wants to make me fish tacos, I'd be down. Apparently, EU about to move to full Russian oil embargo next week. If they do that, oil's going to rip. Where's that news? Zoom for smart glasses by Vuzix is now supported by the Zoom app. That's kind of cool. Is Vuzi running off that? Yeah, Vuzi's running off of this right here. Low partnership with Zoom. He missed the joke? Yeah, I did miss the joke. I don't get the joke. You guys have bad jokes. ATV is an all-terrain vehicle. I know what that is. I know what an ATV is. Did we just witness a confirmation of a date on your live stream? No, you did not. You did not. Yeah, Vuzi is not, unless it's just stalled out here. Amy, come on now. Come on, girl. Let's go. Time to run, Amy. Oh, here comes Vuzi back up. Tiger, do something here, pal. Oh, Tiger. If Tiger ends up getting to my strike, I'm going to lose my mind. Oh, no, I knew the joke as right as you said it. I just wasn't going to point it out. I wasn't going to give you that type of satisfaction for making a joke like that. That's just how it works around here. JP Morgan is saying oil the 185 from a bar. All right, you need to send me some of that news because I don't have it. It should be coming through on the news feed. I just don't have it. 80 counterparties take 1.817 trillion at the Fed reverse repo. The Fed is trying to suck out money. Give them the bonds. Give them the bonds. All right, SPY is still flatlining around here. Let's see, Tiger right around 245. SQ flatlining. TTD trade desk still up there, man. The trade desk is still up there. Ripster Clouds. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's on Zero Hedge. All right, let's see. Zero Hedge. Everybody's been calling oil to 185 for a while, and it's like, meh. EU to impose full embargo on Russian oil next week will send price above 185, according to JP Morgan. All right. When did this news come out about the shipments in the 7 days to April 16th hit? Okay, hold on. European buy underlying, James, is the assumption that European buyers will cut their purchases of Russian oil by about 2 to 2.5 MBD by the end of the year, and that Russia would be able to reroute only 1 MBD of that. So basically, it's a supply squeeze. There's no supply. What's this? Oh, that's a chart. Yeah, okay, so that's more speculative. That's more speculative. It's not guaranteed to happen. When do finals start for you? I don't know. U.S. to raise China security pact issue with Solomon Islands. Okay. Yeah, it's more speculative. I haven't seen, dude, the trade desk is still ripping right now. It's new highs. This thing is going nuclear. You wish you had a cougar? How about we do our own thing now? How about we just focus on, like, you know. All right, folks. Tiger, winner, chicken dinner or chicken lunch. I don't know. You think AMC is bounce off that 13 and rip? The 13's at 18.11. It's at 18.15. Tiger's looking spicy here. I mean, it's sharked right here, but it's coming back up. Let's see. Come on, Amy. Do something. All right. Again, also, you guys were getting all these random messages from these scam accounts on Instagram. This is my only Instagram account for my online persona. So if you guys want to follow me over there, I'll try to follow some of you guys back. There's the link to the Instagram over there too. Good afternoon, sir. Junior, what's up, pal? Mikey hasn't come back in yet. Tiger is looking like it wants to go on another moon mission here, which I am completely all for. Tiger, you want to go on a moon mission? I'm here for it. I know there was somebody that was buying puts on Tiger over the last couple of weeks, and I was betting against them. Sort of, not really, just on the other side. But, you know, you're STV's sugar father. No, you're not, Michael Jordan. He's straight up ghosting cougars that try to slide into the DM. Bro, I don't mess around on Twitter. Judge's mask ruling may be appealed by the Justice Department, says Psaki. CDC continues to recommend masks on airplanes. It's a recommendation. I had to wear a mask for like the first time in forever in class just now. It was insane. I was like, this is the weirdest thing ever. You're an apparition and you don't even ghost cougars? Yeah, dude, I don't know. Oh, it's MLK. I can't see it. It looks like Michael Jordan I can't see it. I just assumed it was Michael Jordan. All right, Amy getting knocked here a little bit. SPY holding. Tiger, let's go. It's a fucking gift? What are you talking about, Dale? I'm so confused. What happened? Dan Landry, what's up, pal? How you doing? Let's see. Oh yeah, isn't Michael Jordan an investor in Plotkin? Like he's got money with Melvin. Bing bong. Melvin's wrong. You just cashed out 380% on the trade desk. Woo! That's not, dude, you can't get me with that when I literally cannot see the profile picture. Like if you saw it from my angle, I literally can't see it. You've been lurking. Hope all is good. I'm doing good, Dan. I'm doing good. All right. Spy flickering here. Let's see. Amy getting a little bit of red. Come on now. Jimmy's still holding up here. I think Tiger's down below. No, Tiger's still above 245. Supposedly lost 500 million. Bro, I can't believe that. Plotkin is just a dumbass. The Tiger options get expensive towards the end of May. They must be expecting Tiger to keep running. It's also, that's covering earnings. That covers earnings. That's why. Market's moving real slow. Right now it is. Right now it is moving pretty slow. Let's see here. Bing bong, the price is wrong. Alrighty, folks. Northern Tissue touched a new double. Okay, that's an interesting one. Tiger now down below 245. Spy's just literally just hanging out at the box here. Let's see. Is there any news coming in? We could do something fun. Hold on. Todd Bailey. Thanks for the super, buddy. The Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation turned off replies on Twitter. Those bitches. If you can't, sorry, that was a bit rude. But if you can't handle the heat, stay out of the kitchen. Shout out to Keenan. If you're going to tweet stuff and you're not going to do anything when we know that they are completely incompetent, stop acting like little weenies on Twitter and turning off replies. Because we will just at you. Sorry, that was a little bit harsh. Q1 trade with Russia and China increases to 38.2 billion. What's a kitchen? I don't know. I don't really go in kitchens. I mean, technically, this whole thing is a kitchen, a bedroom, an office, everything. Living room. Make Spy go down. Why do you want Spy to go down right now? We're having such a nice day on Amy. How about we just fucking chill? Just got here. What I missed? DM Ohio. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Nothing really. I mean, I just kind of got here too a little while ago. Let's see. Quick, someone screenshot his knee. Weirdos. Let's see. I don't have unusual whales, NZT. All right, let's see. 1804 on Amy. Come on, still holding 18. Tiger right below 245. I mean, I want Tiger above 245. SDV too young anyway. Well, see, when you put it that way, then that just hurts my feelings. Like that now you're just hurting my feelings now. You took a small loss on Twitter, Noah? Yeah. I'm going with like less trades, more profits. These target calls are just print. They're just chilling at 65.65% in the green. He read it. Yeah, I do read things sometimes. Oh, more news. China to keep strengthening strategic coordination with Russia. That's probably why the SPY is coming down. Amy pulled back up here a little bit. I like that. Canceled your Disney Plus finally. There you go. Dude, imagine if everybody just like right before the end of the quarter, like all the apes, 4 million of them with Netflix accounts, was just like cancel and then rebuy back in right after. So it just jerks with their earnings. You can't do that, but like that would be a funny thing to see happen, and then everybody just buys back in, and Netflix is like, I don't know what happened. All right, let's see here. Yeah, guys. Also, as you're filtering in too, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream. YouTube is being annoying today again. So if you guys don't mind hitting that like on the stream, let's see. Oh, you guys are doing real good right now. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate that. Spy puts go Burt. Watch it at the 48 here. Watch it at the 48. Gary gets me listening after that comment. Dude, sometimes I just think things and then I'm just like, that's not allowed. CI on the move. Is oil coming back or is this CI just getting sparked? CI's coming up here. Let's see. Amy still above 18. Amy and Spy look like they're coming down to their 48. Jimmy's getting a nice little pop. CEI's running up a little bit here. Yeah, it's still in the red by about 0.87%, but it's running. I mean, that's nothing for CEI. All right, so Spy's coming down to test the 48 here. Amy still chilling. Yeah, Tiger's still holding nicely. Where's TTD? Did that end up coming down, or is it still just mooning? That's holding pretty good here. If SCB takes your girlfriend, you can get a new one. That's a lot of effort, bro. It's a lot of effort. All right. CEI used to cost 1.4 million a share. It didn't though. It like did, but it didn't with all the splits probably that it was doing. All right. The alerts are firing through. Ooh, I was getting some messages about the new bot, the proprietary trading algorithm that we're giving you guys that you can follow along with and kind of see where the bot is actually executing these trades on. So again, you're going to get that. You're going to get over 40 private live streams every single month. Alerts, the fastest and most actionable, high quality alerts on over 400 stocks. One-on-one training sessions. You also get it free until the end of the month if you guys do want to come in and kind of see what we're all about. So here's the link to the Patreon. You do have to sign up through there. But again, you don't get charged until the end of the month. There you go. All right. So Amy's popping back up here a little tiny bit. I can have your wife. That's not very nice. Yeah, TTD is still running, bro. Jesus. Bleep you taxes. Oh, let me see if they took more. Because I know they cast some of the checks today, and I was like, no, that sucks. I don't know if they've gotten it yet. They might have. I don't know. No, they haven't done it yet. But they did some of them, and I was just like, no. Give me my money back. AMC needs to wake up and run. Let's see if we're going to get it, man. I'd love to see a run like TTD on Amy. Just nice, slow, and steady, just climbing up. Oh, shit, Tiger. Oh, Tiger. Oh, Tiger. I love how nobody gets excited that we're just printing on Tiger right now. Like, I'm talking about Tiger all the time, and then nobody talks about it. Like, this is just literally, and you guys get these 4-hour alerts for free in the Discord. Like, look at this. Cross here. Oh, cool. Closing candle above right at 222. It's at fucking 245. This thing is showing not really a whole lot of signs of slowing down. If it does, it's probably going to come down to the 13 and just bounce again ahead of earnings. Cost has been granted U.S. patent number. Ooh, it got a patent. Ooh, this thing's getting a little spicy. When are y'all officially rolling out the new bot, or when will we get a peek? Either by the end of this week or next week, you'll get access to the bot. What is Tiger? It's Target. Tiger is Target. Dun, 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 bum, bum. Dun, 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 dun. Thoughts on Ethereum? I mean, I don't really want to touch it right now. It is getting a little bit of a cool off on the, I believe on the 4 hour. If it's coming down to touch the 13, that's a little bit dirty. I want to see how it reacts there. Yeah, it's still got a little bit of ways to. Oh, it's right at the 13 here. So the 13,601. So if it comes down and touches the 13 and bounces, that's going to be a good sign if it can hold there. If it sells off right through and continues to sell, not so good. But Amy, 1808 over here. It is above the. I think it's still above the 4 hour 13 right now. I'm like pretty sure. Yeah. Ooh, wow. Closing candle above the 13 and the 25. Very solid there. I like that. Yeah, I'm loving Tiger right now. The Tigers were moving weird until they started to get going. Come on, Tiger. Come on, bud. Come on, bud. New day highs. Let's go. 10 more cents. Now that you talked about it, watch it dump. Tiger or Ethereum? Ho ho, my name isn't Justin Frozen Peas and Meat Juice. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Good to see you back in here. Good to see you back in here, pal. Did I address the rumor about Musk's move trying to force hedge funds covering? I mean, if they take it private, like you can't be short the stock anymore. But Twitter's not like a squeeze play. Like, look at the short interest on. I mean, it could be big. I don't know, but probably not though. 6.5%. That's not very much. Took 50% gains on Dollar General when you finally went to class. Dude, those Dollar Generals are good. Dollar Tree's been a good one. A lot of these like consumer spending stocks have been going wild. Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Home Depot. I mean, Home Depot, not really, but Walmart and Target have been doing good. And I think they're going to continue to do well, especially with this conversation about rates. What are these up now? 70% on the targets. Thank you. Like, these are doing phenomenal. I think that these are going to be awesome. I'll make them free at 100 and then let it ride. Just that it will force Amy and Jimmy. Why would Twitter? No. Matt, the Twitter stuff has nothing to do with AMC and Jimmy. I would say that that's a bunch of nonsense. I think that's trying to. A lot of what happens in the community sometimes is people try to take unrelated things and somehow make them related to Amy and Jimmy, and they're just not related. Can you please go back to class so Amy can continue to go up, please? Thursday. Thursday, I'll be back in class. You have 13 kids? That's too many. That's cheaper by the baker's dozen, bro. The spreads are tightening on these Tigers. I like it. Just thought people think hedge funds short all stocks. Right, but like it doesn't, they're not going to cover everything if they have to cover Twitter, and it's only 6% shorted. That's not. Did I make any plays today? No, I'm just riding out these Tigers. I'm just looking at the Tigers right now. Those are up big. I'm just swinging the Tigers. I like these consumer swings. If the market's going to chop around like it's been doing, like, yeah, you could have played SPY today and a lot of other things, but I mean, I'm just looking at these Tigers, seeing where they're going to take us. Ethereum getting smacked harder than the like button. Jesus. Let's see. Oh, you guys are killing it on the likes right now. Thank you, guys. Yeah, Ethereum's coming down. So 601 was the 13 EMA on the. Yeah, it's coming down. It's coming down. Twitter and AMC have a deep correlation. They were both publicly traded. Funny guy. All right, 1805 on Amy over here. SPY's just kind of hugging the box again. Just doing its thing over here. Could not find my live today. Dude, that's the fucking bro. YouTube is being so annoying with some of these live streams. Guys, again, the only way to really help out with that is engage. Took you forever? Dude, it's a bunch of nonsense. Bunch of nonsense, man. Additional sanctions against Russia under consideration. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Walmart, though, on the weeklies. Walmart. See, this is the thing with Walmart. It's already done its thing. We already played like the all-time high breakout on Walmart. We were playing like this. I think it was this move in here is what we were playing. Those Walmarts were dirty. We got out. I mean, after Walmart, it's kind of flatlining. It's got this real big resistance at what is this? Like 158.39. So if it can break above there with target running, awesome. Target still has a way to go, like a long way to go to get to all-time highs. So it's got some room to run if it wants to. Big baby Einstein. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. Can you explain to me who decides whether or not an order is neutral? Because there are a shit ton of them today. Thanks, Vix. You're awesome. I'd have to look into that a little bit more, but my assumption right now is that it has to do with the I'm pretty sure that's market maker orders. I'm pretty sure that's market makers taking the other side of the trade. I don't know, though. I would have to take a look at that. Frank, thanks for the super, buddy. Who's pumped 22 minutes till margin calls plus your birthday? Frank, happy birthday, buddy. I know you told me that earlier. Hopefully you're doing something fun for your birthday. I mean, honestly, your work sounds pretty good. Your work sounds pretty fun. That'd be a pretty cool birthday present for most people, I think. Unless you're, well, especially if you're a little bit creepy. But, you know, I feel like you're not creepy, so you're good to go. 1814 on Amy's. Target's looking good here. Your social security is 1. Yeah, I don't think that's real. I think that's a fake comment that you're saying right there. Your social security is not 1. And even if it is, please don't tell people your social security numbers in the live chat. AMC, my real initials. Thank you so much for the super for my other girlfriend. Thanks. Appreciate it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Are you guys starting a super squeeze over here? Jesus. SCV got wrench. Thanks for the super, buddy. Diapers for your little child and happy early birthday, bro. May 27th. And don't lie. Did you get with the X this weekend? No. No, I did not. Guys, thank you so much for all the supers. I appreciate that. 1816 on Amy over here looking decent. Tiger 245.22 looking all right. I did not, no. Jimmy new day high. Jimmy just made new day highs at 149.23 looking good. It is not my birthday, guys. Thank you, though. I appreciate that. My birthday's on May 27th, and we will be streaming that day. And then I think I'm going to North Carolina for a little trip with the boys for Memorial Day weekend. Everyone make sure we sell Netflix. Don't do that. Tiger running. Your birthday's May 17th, 10 days before me, buddy. 10 days before me. Yeah, it's not my birthday. It's Frank's birthday. Go say happy birthday to Frank. All right. Spy's having trouble getting over this 13 EMA on the 5-minute over here. All right. Let's see what we're going to get here, folks. Did I say Kansas trip? What? Kansas? Oh, no. Bro. No, North Carolina. I think we're going to the Outer Banks. Just YOLOing it up there. Just, you know, running it. All right. 245.16. 1816 on Amy. Yours is May 27th too? Dude, our birthday last year was wild. That was like the best birthday ever. Amy was up 35.58%. Printing. Can I check the 4-hour on Johnson & Johnson for you? Yep, double Johnson. I got you. Johnson & Johnson. Oh, wait, no, that's not the one where it's like a family company. That's not that one. Looks good on the 4-hour. Looks a little spicy on was this earnings? No. Oh. Yeah. No. Whoa, there's a lot of news over here. Jesus. Oh, yeah. So they did post earnings. So this could get a nice little earnings continuation move. It's possible that it does. Iraq says committed to OPEC plus oil increases. State news agency. Interesting. Outer Banks is beautiful. Yeah, I've been there once. Pretty cool. Pretty nice, man. That's where I burned my, when I was surfing. Oh, shit. Mikey is here? No, he's not. Oh, shoot. I should fly out to Vegas. Nah, I'm not. I don't think I would enjoy myself in Vegas. I'll go. It's not like I won't go. 1820 on Amy. Here we go. Come on. Let's see if we can get a nice little pop here. Jimmy's trying to hunt for these new day highs. I see. My boyfriend is here. Yeah, but he's not though because the Mikey alarm's not going off today. It's perfect. 1822 on Amy. Come on. Let's see if these buyers are going to step back up, get that 5-minute MACD cross and start sending it up here. That would be sweet. That would be sweet. Here we go. All right, folks. Again, hit that like on the way in. Helps out a whole lot, getting some more people in here. Thank you so much to those of you guys who have done it already and those of you guys who are about to. Let's see. 1820 on Amy. Come on. Bahamas? No, the Outer Banks. 1818. Come on. Come on, Amy. Dude, we can't be dealing with Mikey again. Mikey's too much for us, man. Looks like the jail opened its work release program. Facts. Docu calls for next week? Why? It's up 6% today. I mean, the 4 hours looking okay. Nah, I wouldn't touch this yet. I wouldn't touch it yet. Not for me. Not for me. Looks like a scalp kind of day. Nothing really holding. Oh, yeah? Well, except our big, aggressive tiger. All right, everybody. Let's see. Amy's at 1816, doing good. Let's see. Pfizer shares continue lower, down 4.3% on the day. Oofed. Oofed. Let's see here. You missed Tiger? Dude, we've been setting up this value rotation play for like the last month. Like we've been talking about this value rotation for a month. So we finally started to make some money on it. I mean, we hit that one day where we hit like Tiger, Home Depot. Like that was dirty that one day. Oh, hold on. We got some more news coming in. Disney mask now optional at all locations. Ooh, very nice. All right, Amy, 1817. Come on, we can do it. We can do it. Ooh, Tiger, come on. Tiger, come on. Let's go. Let's go, Tiger. This has nothing to do with USTV. All right. All right. You know what? AMC, my real initials. If you're gonna be like that, market's starting a slow fall. Watch it at the 48 here. Bounce right around the 48 right there. Yeah, CEI was running. Did it go green? Or did it shark really hard? Shark! CEI sharking. STV's hedging tiers. I hate to break it to you, but those are bots. Those are bots. How's Biggie doing today? Oh, Biggie's up a little bit. Can you just kiss me already? Mikey, this is why we have the Mikey alarm. This is why we have restraining orders in place for you. Like this is why. This type of behavior is why we can never be friends. Charles, thanks for the super, buddy. Can you explain how a Tyrion flips so violently? Yes. Yes. It's very simple. This is what happened with the Tyrion is a couple of things. Look at this move. So you get this cross, and you're running from 3 to 726. That's like a little bit, I don't know what this is right here. It's a little bit more than a double. More than a double in share price. The buyers and sellers cannot withstand this for an extended period of time, especially with an options chain like this when it's broken up in 50-cent increments. You can't do it because those moves are too big. So it's harder to get a little bit more gamma, and it's harder for the buyers and sellers to withstand that type of buying pressure. But here's the thing. With a Tyrion, you see it run, come back down to the 13, maybe even the 25. Run, come back down. Run, come back down. Run, oh, come back down. Could it be setting up for another nice little run to the upside? Yes. This could just be a little cool off on a Tyrion. down 8% on the day. Like, what's this one? I mean, this is 4-hour candles. Let's look at the daily. What's this? Up 12%, 21%, down 13%, up, down, up, down 8%. Now, it's also getting resistance at this 200 EMA on the daily. So if you get a couple of closing candles above the 200 EMA on the daily, it could come back up, but it's going to get resistance at this level here. SPY flickering. Amy chilling at 1817. Tiger, we making new highs yet? Tiger. The bots can be funny though. I don't mess around with them. They are just like, I see them sometimes and I'm just like, no thanks. How is your investment going? It's like, leave me alone. Would you like to learn more about cryptocurrency? No. Yes, but not from you. The favorite one is just like, how is your investment going? And I'm like, which one? Who took your layer? All right, guys. Again, hit that like on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support today. I appreciate that. Bing, bong, the price is wrong. We're straightening over at 2,000 miles. Exactly. And he was breaking it yesterday. That's why the Mikey alarm started going off all day. He was trying to come get me. 1820 on Amy, up 4% on the day. Woo! You just send them your WhatsApp and offer them Squirrel Bull Dance Show. 1840 should set up a nice little run for Amy. Yeah, I mean, if it runs past the day high at 1831, which it can do, it's only 10 cents away. We're nicey in the green now. We're getting that 5-minute MACD cross. Ooh, Tiger. The reason why I love these value plays so much is that they're a little bit less volatile. So you'll see them just slowly trend up for like a while. And then all of a sudden you're like, oh, shoot, I'm up 500%. Amy looking for a new day high here, 1824. Come on, Amy. Let's get a little spicy here. SPY's coming up a little bit. Tiger, new day highs. Woo! Oh, Tiger's ripping. Tiger is ripping. What are these up now? Oh, 73.5%. Thanks. House Republicans call for probe on EcoHealth's pandemic research. Nice. All right, 1824 on Amy. Oh, Tiger. Oh, Tiger. Here we go. Here we go, everybody. Amy, SPY's trying to come back up into the box here. If SPY goes on a nice little run here, Amy and Jimmy could get a little spicy. Oh, Jimmy's only $1 away from 150. 150 is a solid level on that one. SPY looks like it's set up for a moon mission. Yeah, I mean, it's just one of those days where like it's just, this is kind of what we were talking about in the stream last night. It was like it could just start going and everybody's like, it's gonna come down, it's gonna come down, it's gonna come down, and then it never does. Oh, Tiger. Oh, Tiger. Oh, Tiger. Let's go, people. Printing. You're a value play. You know what, Sam Adams? How about you just go short some more stuff that people like? Oh, these Tigers are doing good here. 76%. They're starting to move better now with these moves to the upside. Wally World's probably, yeah, Wally World could be running too. Dude, Tiger, look at these fucking candles. Come on, Amy, your turn. Your value play. Biden will send more artillery to Ukraine. All right, pal, run it. Cat's running nice. Is it now? Yeah, Cat's running back up. 130% on Friday's Tiger 235. Damn, son, that's solid. Amy, oh, Amy at the day high. Here we go. Little day high breakout. There we go. New day highs on Amy, and it's starting to get a little spicy here. Come on, 1850. Let's go. I want that 1850 breakout. Get it over Max Payne. Yeah, Amy's getting a little spicy here. Come on. Amy's getting a little bit of buying action here. 1838, new day high. Jimmy coming up here. Let's see if we can get 150 on this. This could get a little spicy. Come on. Come on, pal. Wait, this is Cat. Where's Tiger? Oh, Tiger. Market pumping on news that Biden will send more artillery to Ukraine. Come on, Amy, let's go. 1850.
We're up about almost 5% right now. Spy's about to get a 5-minute MACD cross too. Tiger got its. Jimmy just got its as well. Jimmy, new day highs here. Jimmy's hunting that 150 today, up 5.65% right now. Amy's starting to get a little spicy into the end of the day as well. Here we go. He must be happy. Target got up again. Dude, these targets have been solid. I love the targets. They're up almost 80% right now. What are they up now? 77.83. You know what I want to see Amy do? When we really know that the buyers are really starting to come back in, Amy just does those jumps at key levels. That's what we really want to see. All right, guys. Again, as you guys are filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like on the stream. It helps out getting some more people in here. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a move to the upside on Amy going into the end of the day today. That would be pretty sweet. Jimmy is hunting these new day highs at 149.47. They're 3 cents away. That could flash up really quick. Amy, honestly, is looking for Max Payne at 1850. Let's see if we can get above that and then break out on the upside of Max Payne. Because when we can start to break to the upside and get far enough away from Max Payne, remember Max Payne's a range. So if they need to stay delta neutral and they're right around Max Payne or some of these levels, oh, Jimmy just got a nice candle here up to 149.99, trying to break that 150. So on that Max Payne thought, if you start to see because Max Payne's really a range with delta hedging. If you break far enough outside, like above or below, that's when the real big delta hedging starts to happen. But we would need a pretty significant move above 1850. We would need like 1950, 20, something like that to really be like, all right, gamma time. But let's see here. This is looking pretty spicy. This could get spicy merch. Yeah. All right. So after I graduate, I can spend some time and work on some merch for you guys. Can we watch you paint your wall? Dude, I'm in an apartment. I can't paint shit over here. All right, 149.60 on Jimmy. Tiger is well above 245 right now. I like that. Spy's trying to get back into the box here. Amy, 1834, up 4.92%. Looking good. Dude, the volume on AMC today is so low, 19 million. You really think Amy's going to hit 21 or more? That'd be amazing. How long till I graduate? Like a couple weeks, maybe. He sells merch. Scammer. Yeah, I do. But I don't talk about it. All right, Spy closing candle in the box here. Let's see if Spy wants to go on a little bit of a moon mission. That'd be pretty sexy if it did. Let's see. Where's my hedgy tiers? Where are the hedgy tiers? I think they're over here. Oh, I found them. Here we go. Time for some hydration and Amy pops. That's what we need over here. Do y'all hate capitalism or some shit? Most people do. Most people hate that, I'm a young person trying to, do something different. But, it's not really going to bother me a whole lot. Let's see. 1836 on Amy over here. Not a hedge fund. Dude, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, man. Dibs on merch that says 5 minutes till the ding ding. All right, fine. Maybe we can make that too. AXP has earnings, I believe, Friday pre-market, so that could get a little gnarly over there. Let's see. Let's check. Where's the top of the box on the SPY? It's like 450 or no, 447.50. Jimmy, 150.11 looking spicy. I like it. Come on, Amy, let's go. Oh, hold on. Amy's coming up here too. 1839 on Amy. Just hit a high of the day at 1840. Let's do it. Oh yeah, shit. We got 2 p.m. 4 minutes till 2 p.m. margin calls. You literally just made your liquid IV. Dude, liquid IV is the truth. Amy, come on. Come on, Amy. Do your thing. Let's see. 1840. Come on. I want that 1850. We're up 91 cents on the day. That's pretty solid, man. That is pretty solid. It's never gonna go above 20. Not possible. Chatty Factory's back in here with the inverse psychology. I like it. I like it. Come on, buddy. Keep it up at Chatty Factory. Always with the reverse psychology on Amy. Amy likes it. Amy, you're being very well behaved today. You're kind of giving us back. You're giving us a reason to trust you, Amy, which is good. We don't need any of this volatility. You're giving us a little bit of a reason to trust you here. Ooh, new day highs. There we go. There we go. Shilly. You need GME above 164. Why do you need it above 164? Why is that a necessary thing that you need to have happen? You got options on it? The Fed already speak? Yeah, the Fed already spoke. I'm jinxing it? I didn't jinx anything. Jimmy, 150 flat. SPY. Come on. Here we go. Come on, people. This could get a little gnarly. I would love it. I would love to see a little bit of spice. The Fed, I mean, the Fed, I think it was Evans. I mean, it was just the same shit that we've heard many, many times in the past. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Tiger looking good. Our Tiger is getting spicy. We need to feed our Tiger at some point. 77.83% on these Tiger calls. Nice. Should we be laying into the AMC puts more? Oh my God. Please, God, stop that nonsense. Tiger trying to pop up a little. Oh, Jimmy running up here. 150.27. Did I eat chicken cutlets for lunch? Yes, yeah, I did. Yes, I did. STV, the new Tiger King? Yeah. We're not oil barons anymore. We're the Tiger King. Am I playing Netflix earnings? No. Amy, 1841, new day high. It's just slowly making its way up here, looking decent. Jimmy's at 150.45. Tiger's looking good. SPY flickering around. Can I feed Mikey? No. No, Mikey. Let's see. All right, guys. Again, as you're coming in here, make sure you guys hit that like on the stream. It helps get this stream out to some more people. YouTube's been messing around, and Amy's starting to get a little spicy coming into the end of the day. We got 2 hours left to go, people. 1846. Let's see if we can break that 1850, start to get going. Oh, Jimmy's coming up to new highs. 150.75 here. Nice. Netflix isn't going to do good. I don't think Netflix is going to do very well either. But, oh, Amy's starting to get a little spicy here. I love it. I freaking love it. Here we freaking go, people. Things are looking good. Feeding Mikey to the Tiger. Oh, Mikey, yeah, we can feed you to the Tiger. Oh, okay, let's see if we get this 1850 breakout on Amy. 1849 right now. Jimmy's running. Come on, Amy. Break that 1850 and start to get spicy. What is the date? It's the 19th. And you should know that you're watching the right stream because it'll say live. No, Netflix is probably a good earnings play. It's just pricing in like $30, which is like a lot. Oh, Amy's ready to go. She looks like. All right, everybody. I think we're going to need to start the number chant. I think we need the number chant. 19, throw them in. Get those numbers going. Get those numbers going. Guys, hit that like and hit those numbers in there. 35. Kill me. Mikey, relax. Relax, Mikey. Oh, there they go. There they go. I like Mikey. All right, Mikey. Mikey, you can get sacrificed. Mikey, you can get sacrificed. All right, let's see. We got a Mikey break for 5 minutes now. Mikey's been timed out. Tiger's looking good. Amy's coming up a little here. Jimmy pulling back a little. SPY's moving down a little bit here too. Let's see. Amy's holding pretty good. Let's see if we get that 1850 breakout. Send us all the way up to 19. That'd be pretty nice.
It's not even capable of going to 19, let alone 20. Can't happen. I love it, Chatty Factory. Keep the reverse psychology going up on Amy. This is what we need from Amy. Slow and steady wins the race. Yup. 5,000 on the dark pool. No. Uh, $1? What's $1? You want Ortex on Amy? Sure. Sure. We can do a little bit of an Ortex update on Amy over here. Let's see what we're gonna get. Let's see what we're gonna get. All right. 19.45% estimated short interest, 376,000 net return, 1.97% average cost to borrow, 2.13% max. Tiger, Flicker, Jimmy above 150. Amy just holding right around 1850 right now, trying to get up there. Press the SPY button. What's the SPY button? Try to make okay, that's just silly over here. Oh man, it is hunting 1840. Oh man, it wants to break that 1850 right now. We break that, see the volume come up. Ooh, could be a fast track to 19 if we can break that, man. Max pain for AMC today. Well, no. AMC by real initials. Max pain is weekly, so max pain for the week is 1850. Right at max pain. Tickle Amy. You can poke her, but you can't tickle her. Don't tickle Amy. She'll spaz the fuck out. Oh, we hit 1850 just there. There it is. Come on. Press the add button. I'm not pressing the add button. All right. 1853. Oh, little bit of a spike there. Come on. Let's see if we can hold this and start to run a little here. No, it's flickering here. Flickering right around 1850. They don't want it above there. The stock price. That doesn't always happen, Sam. It's not like a direct one-to-one correlation between what the dividend is and then what the stock does after. Oh, and Sam, please don't spam. You will get timed out. Let's see. Come on, Amy. Do it. Do it. Start to run here. I love it. $18.52. Amy's looking good, man. Let's see if Jimmy starts to get a nice little pop here. That could be all right. Here we go. Making new day highs over here as we speak. 1854. CFVI's on watch. What happened with CFVI? Are they sending out random letters again? CFVI, random candle over here. All right, new 5-minute candle on Amy and the SPY. Amy's looking solid here. Jimmy's looking like it wants to continue up. Come on. Let's see. All right, guys. Again, make sure you guys are engaging with the content. Hit that like button on the stream if you have not already. It just helps out with the algorithm. YouTube's jerking around with us all the time. So if you guys don't mind, that's all we ask for around here. Let's see what we're going to get. Whoa. Oh. All right. Let's see. Amy just kind of flatlining here at 1854. Let's see what we're going to get. Tiger, what's up with you? Tiger running back up. Oh, Amy, 1857, 8. High of the day at 1858. Looking good. 60. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Come on, Amy. Do your thing here. Almost 80% on these Tigers right here. Come on, Amy. Start to get spicy. Oh, here we go. Come on. Come on, Amy. That's more than your phone bill for the Discord? Right, but is your phone bill generating you money? Are you getting 40 private live streams, a literal proprietary trading algorithm, the fastest alerts on over 400 stocks? I would doubt that. If you don't want to come, I mean, you do get a free access to it, and so you can see what it's like. But okay, Amy came down a little bit below 1860. Let's see what we're gonna get. You just bought $3,000 worth of AMC at 8 months, but it's honest work. Good for you, man. There you go. Jimmy coming down a little bit here. SPY flatlining. Tiger still looking good. Oh, man. Amy looking to make new day highs right here. It's at the previous day high. Here we go. Buyers look like they're stepping up a little bit on Amy here. Let's see if we can hold this and start to run. This would be awesome. Tiger looking at a new day high over here. Is DWAC running? CFVI was running. What's up with DWAC? Is something going on with Twitter and everything? Because DWAC's getting a candle. CFVI is getting a candle over here too. What's going on? I haven't seen. Is Twitter selling here? Yeah, Twitter's getting a red candle, and DWAC and CFVI are both starting to run. So this is a little interesting here. I have not seen anything come up on the news feed yet, but we'll probably get it very soon. 1858 on Amy. Jimmy's coming back down to that 13. Let's see. SPY's moving down a little bit here, but Amy's holding pretty good. All right. Yeah, DWAC's looking interesting. Elon making a tender offer in 10 days? Yeah, but that came out a while ago. Oh, DWAC's ripping here. Yeah, something with DWAC and CFVI. I haven't seen anything. I'm just waiting for the news alert to come through Fast Stock News. But like they got CFVI on watch. CFVI might still be running here. No, CFVI is trying, but it's not really doing a whole lot here. Amy's just chilling at 1856, slightly above max pain for the week. Yeah, here comes CFVI now back up. Where's DWAC? Is Fun running too? Yeah, DWAC pumping right now. And what's Fun doing? Fun's running too. Something. All right. Nope. Still haven't gotten the news yet on it. Evan, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Can DWAC be Dwayne? Yes, DWAC can be Dwayne. Well, Fun is running up here, man. Jesus. Yeah, DWAC's getting real spicy. Is Apollo really willing to finance the Twitter buyout? Is that really who it is? That's no, yeah, another thing came through on Fast Stock News. Haven't gotten anything on DWAC, Twitter, and Fun yet, and CFVI. Nothing yet. Yeah, Twitter on watch. Big sell off on Twitter. Yeah, Twitter's getting a big red candle over here. Ooh, this is getting interesting. Yeah, so Twitter's coming down hard. DWAC and Fun and CFVI are all ripping off of that right now. All right, yeah, Twitter is dumping here. Amy at 1858, just kind of chilling here. Let's see. SPY coming down a little. Amy's holding good. Yeah, we don't know the news yet. Usually we get this news really quick. Yeah, we're just seeing like the price alerts basically coming through. Twitter, big sell off, CFVI running up, but there's no news on it yet. Amy's still above 1850. SPY's moving down a little here. Yeah, Twitter doesn't look great. Where's DWAC? If DWAC keeps pumping hard, and DWAC's coming back down. These are probably going to be sharks. These are most likely going to be sharks. Yeah, so where's Rumble? Well, CFVI is still running here. So hold on. There might be something going on with CF. I haven't seen anything yet. Hold on. Let me see if I can find the news really quickly. Trump hits 1 million followers. Yeah, DWAC pop after CFVI. 25 minutes ago, Rumble tweeted, agreed, this is why we put major focus and investment into our Rumble cloud. Our cloud doesn't cover everything, but it's a big step in the right direction for the ecosystem. So CFVI is commenting on Elon's posts. Elon didn't respond to it, though. So they're just commenting. That's all we're really getting over here. SPY coming down, pretty decent candle. Where's Tiger? Is it holding or selling? Tiger's holding above 245. I like that. Amy's holding right at 1850, looking decent.
Can I look at Baba? Yeah. Alibaba. Yeah, Baba, it's the EMAs are too wound up here, too tight. Amy coming back up, SPY moving back up too. Is CFVI still running? Nope, got knocked. Why the Twitter drop? We're trying to figure it out right now. Yeah, hold on. Let me see if I can find anything on Twitter. Everybody's just asking what 1 minute ago. Nope. Nothing. I don't see anything. So somebody knows something. Something did happen because there's no reason for Twitter, DWAC, and CFVI and fund all to be moving right now. So something happened. Unusual whales Twitter news. Yeah, but how old is it? Is it the tender offer? Because that's old. 10 minutes ago, Governor DeSantis, Twitter board directors accountable for potentially injuring Florida's pension fund by. Oh. That could be it. Yeah, but then why would Rumble, CFVI, and DWAC be running off of it? There's got to be something else. This is what's going on. CFVI started running, DWAC started running here, came back down a little bit, SPY's flickering, and then Twitter had a decent sized sell off. This is 5 minutes ago. These tweets came out a while ago, so it's not those tweets that are moving it. Mikey, don't be spewing nonsense. SPY looks a little top heavy. I would have to agree with that. Amy's chilling around 1850 here. Where's Tiger? Tiger's chilling. BBIG is moving as well. Nah, not in the same way. Not in the same way. You can tell when it's moving based off of news. Like this is a news move right here. Just giant fuck you candle. Same thing with CFVI. These are big candles. Maybe a big whale sold. Nope. It's something's moving it. SBFM halted. It's just ripped. Amy's holding 1850 here, looking all right. See, again, watch SPY at the 48 EMA here. If it breaks this and comes down, I would say watch box test to the downside. Mine, Florida? Not yet, no. What do we want, Tiger? Tiger's looking good, dude. Fresh candle on AMC. Stock bad. Yeah, 1854 looking all right. Let's see. All right. Jimmy trying to pull back up to 150 here. Tiger looking spicy. I still don't see anything on the let me see. Hold on. Let me see if there's DWAC news. Sharking. Like it's just sharking. Yeah, nobody sees any news on it. Yeah, I don't know yet. Elon's offer could have been denied. I mean, they're talking about the tender offer. Amy's still holding 1850. Tiger, what are we doing here? The shift into value is nuts. Pump and dump, maybe it wouldn't be a pump. They all moved. They all moved. It was when they all move a certain way, something happened. You wouldn't trick the algo in a certain way. So that's the thing. If it was just like a weird random Twitter sell off, you would see like Twitter sell and DWAC and everything not move. But the fact that they all moved, DWAC and fun moved together. Then you had CFVI moving and you had Twitter selling off. When you think about CFVI, DWAC, they're more like, all right, let people do whatever the fuck they want. And then Twitter more censored. Something spooked it. Check if Elon tweeted anything. I don't think he did. "41 minutes ago was his most recent tweet.
because I saw that too. Jimmy trying to get back above 150. AB chilling right around 1850 right here. Biden administration moves to address student loan failures. Yeah, I don't know how they're going to do that. That's been around forever. All right, guys. Again, as you're filtering in here, if you don't mind, hit that like on the stream. You guys are killing it in the afternoon. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate that. No, just Discord alerts coming through now. Let's see. Amy, if it wants to get a little spicy here, it could break out. It just gets a little bit of buying pressure and just 786 fib on AMC. Nice. You want to join the one-on-one classes? Yeah, reach out to Gabe in the Discord. Send a message, and he'll set you up for one of those during the private live streams that he does. And you can go back and watch all of the previous live streams that we've done and all of the one-on-ones if you want to learn. Yeah, they're not going to do anything on student loans. Yeah. SPY moving down here a little bit. Tiger's holding really well. The Education Department has announced new steps to address longstanding failures in federal student loan programs, resulting in immediate debt cancellation for at least 40,000 borrowers. Whoa. So maybe they are trying to do something. Amy coming down below 1850 here. Education Department to review income-driven repayment plans. Dude, how about GME? I mean, it's good. 149.87. We got it right here. Yeah, 40,000 people. All right, let's see. Whoa, I think they're vacuuming upstairs. That's kind of wild. $18.49. Tiger just holding here, up 2.5% on the day. Boom. Amy bouncing off 17. It's at 1850 right here. It's currently at 1850. All right, let's see. Hit that like if you haven't yet. Thank you, John. I appreciate that, buddy. All right, let's see here. Amy's coming back up, 1855, looking all right. Let's see. What's SPY doing? Nothing. Tiger holding. Jimmy, 150.15, looking good. Let's see if these are going to be the little cool-off moves, and then we just start to run back to higher highs. All right, let's go. Come on, new highs. 1863 is the previous high. Let's see what's going to happen with the SPY here. Suck on the like button. That's weird. Jamie looking good here, man. How are the Tigers doing? 76%? Nice. Nice. You and Mikey are friends now? All right, Phil, we're going to have to ban you from ever coming to visit me. All right, come on, Amy. 1855. Jimmy's hunting these new day highs over here. So is Tiger. Tiger! Tiger! Have the shares finally dried up? Sort of. We're going to talk about that in the video tonight. It's like they're not really shorting right now. It's just market maker derivative nonsense. Let's see. 1855. Jimmy is like 10 cents off a new day high here. If Jimmy starts to break out here above these day highs again, that could be real nice. For Amy, Jimmy, everything. Yeah, target's running back up. Come on, folks. Oh, guys, you are absolutely killing it on the engagement right now. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Let's see what we're going to get. 1853. All right, so we got about an hour and 37 minutes left. Looking all right. You think Mikey would make a great channel mascot? He kind of is right now. He kind of is our mascot. Jimmy, new day high, fit 150.84, looking good. Amy, 1855, looking for a little bit more buying pressure to send this thing up to new day highs. Is this just bouncing off the 13 on the 3? Yep, it's just hovering this 13 on the 3 minute. Grab the tiger by the tip. Jimmy, new day highs, 150.94. Woo, 151 could be spicy on this thing. Come on, Amy. You feel like we're best friends. Mikey, no. Mikey, relax. No. None of that. We are not best friends, Mikey. Amy trying to break the weekly 200 EMA, 1858. Is that where it is? I've got it at 1847. So it's broken it. Jamie coming up. Amy coming up. Tiger coming up. Woo! Printing. There we go. Jamie is frozen on Webull for you. Well, it's at $150.88 right now. Yeah, Tiger new highs. Trying to get above 246. You're welcome on these targets. You're welcome. How are we up 6% on 21 million in volume? Because volume is a result, not a cause. Result, not a cause. It can sometimes be a cause, though. Can oil please stop and go higher? My car is losing value. Really? Did we finally get an Elon tweet? A social media platform's policies are good if the most extreme 10% on left and right are equally unhappy. That's true. That's true. I would have to agree with him on that one. Just piss everybody off. All right, Amy coming back down to 1850 here. Tiger's still looking dirty. You YOLO'd on 10 options that expire on Friday. You're up 750%. On what? Megan, on what? Amazon buying AMC. Funny. Oh, and you're talking about buying puts on it makes it go up? Oh, funny guy. All right, SPY's just hovering this 48 here. Let's see. Come on, Amy. Let's make some new day highs here, huh? Huh? We got a little bit of time left. I mean, we got like an hour and a half left in the day today. We could get some new day highs. Make that my intro. No, we just talk about it. We'll just keep talking about it. Amy, boom. Let's go. Are we still buying puts on the Fed talk? We aren't doing anything. I'm just going to let it go until after Powell and just play my targets. Did we find out what happened to Twitter? No. No news. No news ever came through on that. We never saw anything on that one. My friend Amy had a crush on me. I told her there's already an Amy in my life and you don't need her. That's gonna make her want you even more, Phil. You should have just been like, no, I love you, I want to marry you, and then they'll just leave you alone. They tanked a firm at the same time. Yeah. Phil, you played that one incorrectly. You got to do the opposite of what you think you have to do. All right, 1857 on Amy over here. Twitter lawsuit from Florida. That one pumped DWAC, though. Yeah, I mean, that could have been it, but it was delayed. It was a big delayed reaction all over the place on that. Amy, 1859. Come on. Get over that 1860 again. Let's go. Jimmy, 150.37. Looking all right. Tiger still looking good here. We are getting close to power hour. Let's see if it's going to be anything like a nice power hour today. Remember, SPY gets spicy into the end of the day these days. No. We found the like we know about the DeSantis stuff. It's just it was so delayed. Like that came out like 25 minutes before the move happened. So I was like, well, it's probably not that. Because if that was the news that came out and was driving everything, it would have been instant. Maybe it was a little bit earlier. That could be it. That honestly could be it. It was just strangely delayed. Tiger at the day high here. Here we go. You heard Mikey wanted to make out with me today? Yeah, he did. I just told him no, like I usually do. Just told him no, man. Tigers are up about 82% right now. Boom. How many times can somebody buy and sell contracts with settled funds? As many as they want, as long as the funds are settled. Amy, 1860, getting a little jumpy here. SPY trying to come back up a little bit. Come on, Tiger. Let's get a little breakout above 246. Well, we're 3 cents off the day high on Amy right now. Come on. Someone dumped 2.9 million shares between 1 and 105. Whoa. Amy getting some big candles over here. Oh, man. What was that? New day high at 1870 right now. That was a nice little boom there. All right. Let's see if we can make that push all the way up to 19. That was a pretty big, that was a little bit of an aggressive spike on Amy right there. I like that. I like that. You guys see that? You guys see that? A little craziness over there? Oh. Come on, Amy. Oh, Tiger new highs. Come on, keep going, Amy. Keep continuing that move up. That's what we need. We need the continuation of this move. Tiger looking dirty. Everybody spamming the 19s. I like it. I like it. Ooh, lots of alerts coming through right now. 82% on the Tiger. Nice. 1867 on Amy right now, up 6.8% on the day. Let's see. Guys, also, as you're filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. We had to take a little bit of a break today, so that's all I asked for around here, just getting these streams out. 1866 on Amy right now. It's holding pretty good. Let's see if we're going to continue this move. SPY's kind of backing off there on that little bit of a nice candle here. Amy's doing the same thing. Oh, you guys want 20 now. You guys want 20. Oh, Twitter. U.S. crude oil futures settle at 102.56 a barrel, down 5.22%. That's pretty huge, man. Need Amy at 20 for 420. Yeah, we could. Jamie's at 150.25, up 6.2%. Amy's up 6.72. 1866 right now, 64. Just flickering here. What's the volume right now? 22.61 million. All right, let's see what we're going to get. Let's see what we're going to get. Little bit of boom booms.
It's after 12 somewhere. You want Don Julio? Well, I would love to see some Don Julio today in terms of the price action. That'd be pretty sweet. Come on. Another couple of big candles like this, and we'll be off to the races, I think. I mean, where's the resistance? That's not the right chart. Where's the 48? All right, so the 48 EMA on the 4-hour is 1892. If we can break that, I think we could be off to the races. 1870 is the day high right now. All right, Amy, come on. 1865, looking all right. Jimmy's starting to come up here a little bit. Boom, boom. Candles coming, says Todd. Ooh. Todd, thanks for being a member, buddy. Shout out to all the members of the channel. You guys are awesome. All right, let's see. 1865. It's just kind of waiting. It's almost waiting. Let's see what the SPY's going to do. It's hovering around the 48 here. Anyone else love when Amy breaks up with Spazzy SPY? Me too. Almost caught an ankle. It happens. Yeah, the Elon tweet 10 minutes ago about like the 10% on either side. We saw that. All right, where are these tigers at? Sometimes the tiger moves are a little bit delayed in terms of the options pricing. Yeah, I mean, they're up 81%. That's pretty good. Up 80% on your target calls, Paul. There you go, buddy. There you go. 1865, moving on up. Moving on up, folks. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Come on, let's get a little action here. It's just flatlining. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Candle. Here we go. 1871, new day high on Amy. Starting to move up here a little bit. Jimmy, little candle as well. 150.50. Amy's just over here breaking new day highs. 1871 over here. Right now it's at 1869. Come on. Come on. 1870. Come on, Amy. You can do it. 71 at that day high. Come on. Let's break and start to get going. $18.74, continually making these highs. I like it. Come on, let's go. Let's go, people. Here we go. Here we go. You can't wait to be an amateur professional golfer. I don't know what that's all about, but that sounds like a good time. 1873, 74 at the day high. Let's see. 1875 would be a new day high. Let's see what we're going to get here. 7.2% of 7.15%, 7.2% of the green right here. There it is. New day high again. Here we go. Let's see if this can continue all the way up. Let's see if this can continue all the way up here. This would be nice. Bing bong. The price is wrong. Looking good here, folks. Let's see. 1875 is the high. Let's see. Tiger still holding up nicely here. Let's see. If we can get to 19 today, that'd be pretty fun. That would be pretty fun. Goldman Sachs CEO and other top executives get a cut of profits from the firm's private fund investment sources. Say 1877. Woo! Come on. Let's get that 19. Let's go. All right, guys. Again, as you're filtering in here, if you don't mind, hitting that like on the stream helps out a whole lot over here. Let's see. Amy's looking good today, up 7%.
69. I would love to see some 19 today. You have 100 shares of AMC and $5,000 in $13 AMC puts. This doesn't feel right. You did that to yourself, pal. You've done it to yourself. 1875 on Amy. Ooh, come on. Come on. Let's get up. 76. The high is 1878. Let's see if we can get up even higher than that. That would be really sweet. That would be real sweet. Jimmy is still about 150 here, but Amy is leading the way right now. Oh, we're making our way up, man. We are making our way up. If you go to class more, we'd be at all-time highs. All right, thanks. Appreciate it. All right, we're at the high. Let's see if we can continue to break, get into the 1880 range. I like it a lot. We're having a good day, man. We are having a freaking good day right now. Making our way downtown. But Jimmy Elitas told me AMC was going to 5. Oh, I'm going to trigger them. I hold both. Jimmy, new day high over here. 150.98. Let's see if Jimmy can get that 151 breakout over here. That'd be sweet. Ooh, Tiger, nice little pop there. Amy, 1881, 1880. Oh, Amy looks like she wants to get a little spicy over here. 23.36 million in volume right now. That's not really anything crazy, like at all. That's very low volume. SPY is starting to come up here a little bit too. We got Tiger above 246. That's really good. Let's see. Tigers printing. All right. Jimmy made a new day high at 151. Spy's trying to get back into the box here. Amy's at 1880. Looking all right. All right, new candle. Let's see what we're going to get. Dude, Tiger is just ripping. What are these contracts at right now? How are these only at 82%? Did it sell off? No. You're about to load up on calls. I'm not doing it yet, but it's going to come time to do it soon. If we continue on this trajectory, it would be time for more calls. Do I think AMC and Jimmy could have slow squeezes similar to what Tesla did? Yeah. New highs, 1882, looking spicy. Yeah, 1893 is the 48 EMA on the 4-hour. Yeah, I saw that. When I was looking at it over here, we pulled that up a little while ago, and the 48 EMA on the 4-hour. Yeah, 1893. We break that, and we can start to get over the 200 EMA on the 4-hour. That's dirty. That would be really, really, really good. But again, remember, we've got a little bit of nonsense that we got to deal with Powell coming up a little bit later this week. Let's see what the options are looking like now. 18,000 calls, 11,000 puts. We flipped it. There we go. So more calls are in the money now than puts. That's interesting. What do we get at 19? Is there anything crazy at 19? 7,000. At 20, there's 10,000. So from right now to above 20, there's about 20,000 contracts that would go in the money. Charles, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. GME popping big tomorrow. Sold target calls for GME 157s for tomorrow. There you go, man. Good luck. I hope it pans out for you. Yeah, Jimmy's looking pretty good right now. I like Target on the run up into their earnings and the value rotation that we're seeing. So we'll see what happens. Spy's up 1.23%. Tiger's up 2.76 right now, looking solid. Amy's continually trying to make these new day highs over here, looking really, really, really good. Charles, thanks for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. AMC 1348 on the 1-hour getting close. I don't trade the 1-hour. I don't know why you would trade the 1-hour. But in terms of like looking at where those EMAs are in terms of like a potential dynamic support or resistance, that's when I'll look at the 1-hour. All right. Lots of alerts coming in now. Let's see. Whoa. Super, super big poop in your yard. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. That was a big one. All of them buying AMC puts. Ouch. Yeah, right now they're not doing too hot. The Amy puts, they're not doing too hot right now. So 1884 on Amy, 1885 is the new day high. Dude, thank you so much for that generous super. I really appreciate that, man. GME over max pain. AMC is right around max pain. Be careful on the weeklies. Yeah, I'm not buying calls, but I mean, we're above max pain right now. In order for us to really be like, all right, time to go, you need to be like well above max pain or well below like we were in order to see potentially the puts really start to pile up. But again, there's not much craziness going on in the options chain this week. So this is just nice buying pressure coming in. And again, like we're going to talk about this in the video tonight, they're not really shorting it right now. Like the data is not suggesting that they're shorting a lot of AMC. It's just a market maker fucking around with the derivatives and the short exempts. Cat's breaking out. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. I like that. Yeah, cat's breaking out a little here. Amy's just wanted to get spicy here, man. I love it. Where's Tiger? Tiger ripping up the new day highs here. I love that. %82 on Tiger. We need to get to minimum pain. Yes, our goal is to get to minimum pain. Minimum pain is the most amount of options expire in the money, which would be running through the option chain. All right, let's see here. Looking good. All right, so we've got about an hour and 15 minutes left. Amy's at 1878 right now, getting a little bit of rejection here. Spy's Jimmy's still coming up here. Minimum pain is 51. Is it? Yeah, minimum pain is 51. Why do they have a $51 strike? What the fuck are they doing? Will we be listening to Brandon? No, we will not be listening to Brandon. Sorry. We're not going to be listening to Byron. All right, guys. Let's see. 1875 still looking good. Maybe a little bit of a cool off before we make that push to 19. That would be pretty sexy. That would be pretty sexy if we were to get all the way up there. Again, guys, if you don't mind, hitting that like on the way in. Helps get these streams out to some more people. Let's get hyped. Let's get a little excited, huh? Pretty solid big green day on Amy today. Looking good. It's coming down a little bit here. Wouldn't be surprised if we wanted to come down. Maybe on the 3-minute is kind of what we were looking at, that 13 EMA on the 3-minute. That's at 1864. I don't know if it's going to get all the way back down there, but what about on the 1-minute? Yeah, so just kind of crack down through on the 1-minute. Let's see what we're going to get. Let's see if these buyers are going to be able to come back up and push Amy back to the upside. Tiger's looking good. Jimmy's holding up around 151. Spy's trying to get back into the box here. We could see a little bit of volatility coming to the upside on the Spy coming in soon. Amy coming back into the green here. Looks good. Just joined the Patreon today, watching the videos. Great info. Awesome, Sam. Good to see you in there, buddy. Those 1348, that Discord, Sam, is going to really help you take you to the next level. Let's see. AMC just came within 4 cents of your upside price target of 1889. Still plenty of time. I agree. Still definitely plenty of time. Little bit of a cool. What's the RSI looking like on Amy right now? Look at this. This is perfect. It's just coming down to touch the average RSI right now on Amy on the 5-minute. That's perfect. Little cool off. There's 1.8 million shares on Socko Tracker that they could dump back into the market for AMC. I would stay away from calls. Yeah, they're not using them though. They're not taking them out and shorting them. They haven't been doing it. Well, I'll show you guys in the video tonight. It has to do with average shares on loan. Tiger, new highs. Holy shit. 83% or 82.61% on the Targets. I love it, man. Feeling a big boom boom coming? We might. All right, let's see here. 1872, just cooling a little bit. Cool at 73. Oh my God, dude. Tiger is on a mood mission. What are these up now? 84%. Nice. Or am I saying they can't short AMC today? No, I'm just saying that they aren't. Like they're just, it looks like they're choosing not to. GME new day highs. It's hunting. It's 4 cents off the day high. Jimmy gets a break. There it is. Or yeah, it was right there. 150.106. You're right. So it hit 150.106 on this candle here. Got knocked a little bit. Amy 1870. Tiger looking dirty. Spy's trying to get it into the box here. Got rejected. All righty. Let's see what we're gonna get. Just scored on another round of target calls. Oh, it is big. For target, this is big. 86.5%. Do you wait for strangle plays? Like if it runs up, do you get the puts? If it dips again, get calls? No. I get them at the same time as close as I can to the end of the day, just so it's even. Puts were more aggressive than calls this morning for the weekly. They are collecting put premium right now. It doesn't matter, Ryan. You know why? Because the amount of open interest and the actual overall interest on the put side of AMC is always going to be much lower than the calls. So even if the call premium is a little bit lower, they're going to be able to sell more calls than they are puts. So anytime the market maker is looking at what they want to do, they're always going to be more geared towards sending Amy lower, no matter what happens. They never want to push it up because one, do you know what happens? Well, everybody's just going to start buying calls, buying shares. They know it can just start going crazy if it wants to. %86.5% still on the Target is looking good. It's coming up to make it free time on the target. Spy pulling up here a bit. Come on, Amy, let's go. 19. Let's see. All right, Amy, time to shine. Spy in the box now. Tiger looking good. Come on, Jimmy. Jimmy, come on. Refresh the candle, pal. All right. 1873 on Amy. We're up 7.15% right now. Tiger's up 2.95. We got Jimmy up 6.5, looking good. Yeah, we've been over this many times, the put thing. There's no real way around it because it doesn't make any sense. They're always going to be wanting to push it down. They're going to delta hedge to the downside. If a lot of puts come into the it's all about in the money calls, not put. Like you don't want puts on there. Hedging, why would you hedge now when you're going to burn that money potentially? The time to hedge is when it's way higher. The time to actually hedge your position is when you're up a shitload and you don't want to lose it. And you're creating your own price floor. Because think about this. Let's say you have X amount of money. Amy's coming up nicely here. Let's say you have X amount of money in order to actually hedge because you're tight on cash. You don't have just a lot of disposable income. You're going to burn your money now to hedge it when it's at 18 versus when it potentially runs and you could lock in a price floor of, let's say, 300. Doesn't make it just doesn't make a lot of sense in my mind. Target boom. Yeah, target booming. Spy trying to move up here a little bit. 1875. Amy's flickering here. Jimmy trying to, yeah, Jimmy new day high at 150.114. %89.5% on the Tigers. Nice. Let's see. Amy 1870. Let's see. Again, guys, as you're filtering in here, if you don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, that's all we ask for around here. Just engage with the content. You guys are killing it today right now. I really appreciate that on this second stream. Thank you, guys. Target really wants to test 52-week highs this week. What's the 52-week? Dude, it's 268, 269. That's huge. That would be ridiculous if it did that. 96.3% on target. Attaboy. Those are pretty good. Those are looking good. The targets are still looking solid. 1871 on Amy over here. Jimmy coming back down a little bit. 150.67. SPY flickering at the lower end of the box again. All right, this is the test on the 3-minute of the 13 right here on Amy. It's testing the 13 on the 3-minute right now. Watch it will test as long as this market doesn't crap out. That would be crazy. Okay, so the 13 EMA on the 3 minutes, 1865 right now on Amy. Target will hit 300 today? No. No, that's craziness. That's crazy behavior. AMC options going bonkers. In what way? In terms of like volume? It's high volume. People are, and look, the volume is right around these at the money, in the monies. That's very, very good. Put volume low. That's pretty good. Not a lot of open interest on the put side. That's pretty good too. We just need to break far enough outside, like away from max pain for them to really start to want to delta hedge. Not want to, like have to. Let's see, dude, targets on a moon mission. Let's see, we're getting some news over here. Biden delivers remarks on building a better America. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's see. Yeah, guys. Also, make sure you guys have notifications turned on for the channel too. YouTube's been jerking around a little bit, so make sure you guys hit that little bell icon. Turn notifications on for the channel. Helps a lot. Let's see. Target will hit 380. That's crazy. Yeah, we got 5 minutes till power hour over here. Build a better stock market. Tiger runs at 247. That would be crazy. Sounds an awful lot like Make America Great Again. It does. It's just rebranded. It's literally what it is. You're right on. That's literally what it sounds like. Like if you look at it, it's like on building a better America. Make America great. It's like, okay, it's like the same thing. It's like the meme where it's like copy the homework but make it look different and it's like the same exact thing. That's what it sounds like. All right, let's see. Amy, 1865. SPY's coming up here a little bit. Come on, Tiger. Nice little pop into close would be sweet. Jimmy's trying to get back above 151 right here. 151.14 is the day high. Am I playing Netflix? No. No. Tiger coming back up. I'm just riding these Tigers, dude. Riding the Tiger. 91% on the Tiger. Everyone share AMC on social media. Let's get her trending. That's what I'm trying to do over here. Tiger new day highs. 1866 on Amy. I mean, it's running. I mean, the thing about the shorts on it right now is very interesting. That's going to be what the video's on tonight. It doesn't look like Target might trigger the Boas. No. But, I mean, it's running nicely. All righty. Looking spicy. All right, guys. Again, hit that like on the way in. Let's get some more people in here going into the end of the day. We got 3 minutes until power hour. SPY's trying to move up a little bit here. Jimmy's trying to get back over 151. Tiger's over here making new day highs. If these go... If these hit 100% today, I'll make them free. If Sundial tanks, you'll buy more. You may not be able to because it might get delisted. All right, 1869. Amy's coming back up. 1870. It got that little test on the of the 13 EMA on the 3 minute, fell below a little bit, but then shot right back up. Let's see. Actually, I want to put in a sell order for this.
All right, I got my sell order in for the Tiger to make it free. If it gets like a weird wild candle to the upside, I might be able to make him free. So we'll see. What's the date of target earnings? It's May something. It's May. It's like the second week of May, I think. Let me look. It's supposed to be May 17th through the 23rd, and my contracts don't go past it. All right, let's see. Amy, 1866. Yeah, Tigers are looking good here. Yeah, these contracts are so slow to move. So we'll see. Target running may be a bad sign for the overall market in the next weeks and months. Yeah, it's just a flight to value and just safety. Oops. Yeah, these contracts aren't moving. Even with it starting to try to run up here. The spreads are a little bit wide on it. All right, let's see. 1866. All right, here comes SPY trying to get into the box, man. AMC YOLOs, fret 6% isn't ripping. Oh, you're right. That's because it's up 6.75. And yeah, it is. So, Andrew, why are you being so pessimistic? Why are you coming in here just being like, "Oh, we're having a good day." No, it's not ripping. Why are you saying that? Why are you doing that? Why are you like that? Do you need help? What's wrong with you? Let's see. Power hour, we got a minute to go. Oh, but it's not ripping now. It's like, all right, bro. Let's see. He might have puts in his salty, maybe. All right, let's see. 1867. Here comes Tiger running back up. 3% on Tiger is ripping. All right, let's see. Here comes SPY. Tiger at the day high. Let's see. Not a hedge fund. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Stock down bad. Stock rip not good. All right. New highs on Tiger. Let's see. SPY's trying to move up here a little bit. When did this change? Probably 2007. All right. Let's see. Tiger. Push it to the limit. All right. Let's see here. I like it, everybody. I like how we're looking over here. Is this sell order going to trigger? It might. My sell order might trigger on Tiger today. Or do I just hold it like a beast? That DWAC thing was weird. It was weird. It was very weird, man. $102% on Tiger. There you go, bud. Diamond hand it. Nah, I'll make it free. If we're a minute into power hour, you're like, the market's sleeping. Tiger won't disappoint. I don't think it will either. We'll see. What would Gabe do? Gabe would make it free. Gabe would have told me to sell a while ago, but I mean, the 4 hour was screaming that it was going to continue up. Take profits or I am snitching to Gabe. Okay. Have I ever played TPC River Highlands? Many times, yes. Many times. I love it there. That front nine is sweet, but the back nine is dirty. Let's see. All right, Amy's coming down to test that 13 EMA. Come on now, Amy. What are you doing here, bud? All right, Tiger's running up again. Yeah, TPC River Highlands is real nice. 1890 was your target for end of the day. Gotcha. He's all about the backside. The back nine, bro. Amy, 1855 holding here. SPY flicker. Jimmy coming down to the 13.
There is no daily max pain. Max pain is like for this week, it's 1850. Hit the like, y'all. How's it going, STV? What did I shoot? Wow. I mean, I think I've shot like 72 there before. I either play like out of my absolute mind at TPC or I just terrible. One of my buddies is a member there, so I go play with him. You have daily max pain on the spy. It could be you have okay. You like Rick Shields on YouTube? That's the guy. I love Rick Shields, dude. I used to watch Rick Shields all the time. That's the boy. Testing out all those new drivers when I was looking for equipment. Whoa, those videos are great. All right, let's see. Sell order in on target. Yeah, mine's in there too. I don't know if it's going to hit. I don't think it's going to hit. Unless it breaks 247, it's not going to hit. Because the spread is so wide that they're not going to get me at it. I have not played Pebble Beach. No. 1858 on Amy. I played Newport Country Club with my school. That place is cool. Great Horse is really nice too if you're into golf. All right. We'll leave that for now. I have not been down to San Diego. Tiger, 247. They're going to take my contracts right here. What? They're not? Come on, bro. You're not going to let me make it free? Come on. All right, let's see here. All right, guys. Again, as you're filtered in here, hit that like on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support today, even with the nonsense I had to deal with this school presentation. Let's see. We got 56 minutes left to go here. Let's see what we're going to get today. I mean, we're just hovering that 13 EMA on the 5 minute. On the 5 minute. All right, people. What's my handicap? I don't know what it is now. I haven't played golf since like last summer, but it used to be like a 4.5. You sold your Tiger 245 YOLO call this morning for 241. Stupid. No, it's not stupid. If you made money, it's not stupid. Ooh, did they take it? They still haven't taken it yet. These fucking assholes. They're going to make me hold this. 15. I could reach that with like a 4-iron. At TPC. I can reach that one with like a 4-iron. Maybe not now, but I definitely have done it. They took yours at 5-6. Oh, did they get mine? Nope. They still have not taken mine. This is crazy. All right, people, let's have some fun going into close. Let's see if Amy's going to bounce back up. We have Spy just kind of hovering in here. Amy and Jimmy are kind of cooling. Tiger's getting a little sell candle here. I mean, this order is going to be good till the end of the day. So we'll see what happens. Oh, I eagled 7. I hold out from like 119 there one time. That was my first. It was like, I think it was one of my, no, it was my first hole out for sure. You just got you a Callaway 300 Pro rangefinder. Pretty big news. There you go, man. You're a player. Ooh, there you go. All right, 1856 on Amy over here. Spy trying to do its thing. Tiger coming back down to cool. All right, let's see what we're going to get. Jimmy's, I mean, they're just hovering the 13s right now. If Amy hits 20 after hours, tomorrow will be wild. I mean, I don't know if we're going to get that like craziness in the after hours, but again, remember, we have a bunch of Fed nonsense coming up this week. Ethereum's trying to come back? No way. I got my sell order there for Tiger. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, I mean, we have until May, so we'll see. What's the MACD indicator showing for Amy? Cross down on the 5. Hey, STV, back from working with clients most of the trading day. Oh boy, here comes Keith. Oh boy, here comes Keith. Mizuno JPX. Those are nice. I have old like these old Ping S55s. Those are nice. I have the Callaway Epics are dirty though. All right, people, let's see. Again, as you're filtering in here, hit that like on the stream. It helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here and with the algorithm. I really appreciate that, guys. All right, let's see. 1857 on Amy. Come on. You think you're going to get the new Cobra driver? Is that the one that's like super forgiving? I think that's the one. I don't know. I want to go play, dude. I don't get to do anything ever. So I want to go do shit. 1857 on Amy. Spy coming up here. Does that mean our friendly neighborhood Tony the Tiger is going to come up? Nope. Let's see if Tiger goes on a little bit of a run here. Where's Tiger on the trading view charts we send out? Okay, RSI is just cooling. The RSI is literally just cooling off. Nice. Do I ever put with a wedge? If I'm messing around, I'll do some wild stuff. I told you we're not leaving. AMC, let's fucking go. There you go, Subi. That's what we need right now. Our hype man. 1856 on Amy. We're up 6.24%. Not bad. It might get spicy again. I don't know, man. It's just a flickery boy over there. Our failure to deliver is due in April. I mean, they're due when they're due. I don't know. It's like T35 or whatever it is. I think there's one every month. 93% on Tiger. Amy. Lithium mining company mines with Nevada did very well today. You've been watching them. It was a perfect picture perfect cross. Nice, Keith. That's what we like to see out of you. Slaughtering the crosses. Just slaughtering the crosses. I love to see that, dude. All right. Tiger not really doing a whole lot. Amy trying to pop off this 13 here. That'd be nice. Amy and Jimmy getting a little cool off and then a little pop into close. What do I think about Ford? It was running yesterday, I think, and today. Let's check the 4 hour. It hasn't really done enough on the 4 hour where it's like, all right, time to swing forward. But it's coming up there. It's got that cross. If it gets some closing candles above the 200 EMA, which is at 1666 right now, you could get a little spicy on it. Amy, 1861. Tiger moving back up. Everyone share the stream. Let's make Amy go viral right now. Dude, that would be crazy if we started getting Amy going mainstream again. Spy ripping here. Spy's ripping up here. 1863 on Amy. Come on, let's see what we're going to get. Jimmy getting a pop off this. Tiger starting to run up here. Ooh, 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 ooh. I like it. I like it. Are the 20 million shares that are not shorted into the market how they've been keeping the FTDs down? It could be. Ethereum's ripping again. Oh boy. DWAC chatter circulating. Trump hits 1 million followers on Truth Social. Yeah, we saw that. We did see that a little bit. So these Tigers calls are up 94.35%, 94.78% now. Spy running. Nice. Nice little day today, huh? HD showed renewed strength. Yeah, I don't have anything on HD this week, but HD's running nicely. And everything's probably ripping right now. Let's see. All right, guys. Again, as you're filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. Let's see what we're going to get. Amy, 1863. I want 19. I want 19 on Amy. Tiger running back up. Come on. Spy's just ripping. Ripping. 19 close coming. That would be sexy if we got a $19 close. Spy's just running. Come on. Let me make these fucking things free, bro. Don't load the extended time periods, but Wally's showing a strong daily. It looks good on the longer time frames. It's just, it's already done. It's got that like triple top that it needs to break out of. Target can get it to go there though. Yeah, HD on the 4 hour is yeah. Cat's creeping. Probably. Woo! Woo! There we go. No free for you. You missed out on forward earlier today? Yeah, I mean, it's fine. There was a lot of plays today that you could have taken. Yeah, Caterpillar's running. Cat is running up. $18.66 on the Amy. How much time we got left? 45 minutes. Okay. Okay, then. What were we looking at? HD. Running here, getting a nice candle. Cat, how's this thing doing? Running nicely. Let's throw this back on Tiger. Why won't they just let me make it free? They're just being assholes with it. They're like, nope, STV cannot make his contracts free. They're gonna go up 95.65%, and they're not gonna let him make it free. Wally new day high. Yeah, that could be helpful for Tiger. 1867 on Amy. Jimmy's starting to try to make that move back to 151 here. We got Spy trying to move up as well. The option ramp on AMC is setting up for a massive run. No, it's not. What the hell are you looking at? It is not. The option chain's not there. It can get there. It's just not there right now. Dollar General's a monster. Dude, that one's been gnarly. DG has been gnarly. All right, folks. Let's see what we're going to... All right, make my Tigers free. Fill my order. Fill it. Fill me. All right, I had to say it. Elon running another pump and dump on who? Tomorrow will be crazy choppy with all those Fed speakers. Be careful. Yeah, tomorrow's going to be stupid. 96.52% on the Tiger. 1866. Dude, I want to see some 19. Here comes Mikey. Oh, shit. All right, here comes. Yeah, they're gonna do it here. Dude, it needs 4 cents in order for it to hit my fill. So yeah, Tiger's making new day highs. Let's see. Woo! Keith, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Got a terrible fill on your Tigers for May 6th, but they're still up 29%. LFG, I'm telling you that 1348 has totally taught me how to make money. Keith, I love to hear that, buddy. Again, guys, you do get that free access trial period. We're going to have that proprietary trading algorithm released to you guys soon as well. The link is in the top of the live chat over there. You do have to sign up through the Patreon, but you don't get charged until the beginning of next month. You get 400 stocks that are alerted to you on a wide variety of different time frames, 40 plus private live streams every single month with one-on-one trading sessions. If you want to take your trading to the next level and actually learn how to use the crosses, make sure you guys check that out. Dude, they still have not filled me. This is wildland over here. This is wildland. 1871. Spy's coming up. Tiger's still trying to come up. Don Julio. I would like some Don Julio. 1942. Get the AMC up to there. All right, Tiger. What are you going to do? Jimmy's trying to make that push to 151. All right, folks. We got a little less than 45 minutes left to go. Tiger could run into close. I think it's going to. If Spy's going to continue like this, I just want to make my contracts free. Then I'll just literally hold those until expiration. Lower my price? No. My price is my price. For my Tigers, I want a specific price on my Tigers, and that's what I'm going to get on them. They want my contracts, pay me for them. Oh, Amy coming back up here. 1885 is the day high. We're at 1875, 76 right now, starting to move up. Jimmy just cracked 151. Spy starting to move up here. Harry, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Breaking Ames, you just put in an offer to buy LMNOP. There we go. They're 97% now on the Tiger. Come on, bro. Just pay me for him. Good for you, SV. Practice for Moaz. Yeah. You have 3 brand new bottles of 1942 at your house for you, TMI, and me. Am I ready? Fuck yeah, Vegas. I'm ready. Vegas, when are we doing that? Oh, I am so down to play that game. That's an expensive. Oh, I'm down, buddy. I am very down to do some of that. 1874 on Amy here. Come on, let's get it back up to the day high. Let's get some 19s in the chat. Down. Throw the 19s in there, people. Let them fly. Let the 19s fly. Am I live on Truth Social? No, but I should make an account and just say wild things. $91. Somebody has dyslexia. 19,000. All right. You guys are getting wild. You guys are getting a little spicy over. I'm here for it. I'm down. Run it. Let's do it. All right, Tigers chilling around 247. I don't think they're gonna get me on these contracts today, which is annoying because I wanted to just go like floop right up and then come right back down, but fill my order. Harry, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Sup weekly dues. When Moon. Adam Aaron, what? You don't like AA? Why not? Why not? Harry, thanks for the super, but why don't you like AA? Are you going to tell Gabe I haven't filled my Tiger? It's not my fault I haven't filled the Tiger. You just need to give it to me. We moon once everyone pays their stream fees. There are no stream fees, guys. That is not a thing. When does the Fed speak? Okay, tomorrow we get San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly at 10:30 a.m. Then at 11:30, we get Fed Evans to the Peterson Institute. At 1 p.m., we get Raphael Bostic. Thursday, we get initial jobless claims, continuing jobless claims, both at 8:30 in the manufacturing survey, also at 8:30. So that's going to be crazy on Thursday. Leading economic indicators at 10. 12:30, we get Bullard. Oh, that's going to be fun. Then at 1 p.m., we get Powell. So it's going to be a wild time. Let's see. You made 10 grand of AMC close above 20 this Friday. Are you selling more options, buddy? Adrian, are you selling more calls? Fees paid. Thanks, Anthony. Appreciate that. Yeah, guys, as you're filtering in here, if you don't mind, the only thing I really ask for is that you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out getting some more people in here with the algorithm. Fed FUD incoming. Well, we already know that's the thing. Like, what are they going to say? If they come out and are like, yep, 75 basis points, then the market's going to have an absolute diarrhea attack. But other than that, like, we're probably fine. What's the year? There is no yearly max pain. I mean, there probably is. Like, it's not going to matter until the week comes. 1872 on Amy. Spy flickering here. Jimmy, new day highs. 151.46. Getting a nice pop here. Amy, it's your turn. Amy, it's your turn. Jimmy got a nice little pop there. Let's see. All the Feds. They're all going to talk. Why is everybody talking about the flow being so crazy? Are you just seeing a shitload of calls coming in? Is that what you're seeing?
I haven't seen anything on Twitter about it. Like, I haven't seen anything crazy on this. Let's see. All right, Amy. Tiger's coming down to the 13. Jimmy's still moving up here. Paul, thanks for the super. Can you check the flow for puts on SEP? I don't have unusual whales. I don't really use it all that much, so I cannot. It's probably a shitload. I can talk about like the open interest and the volume on it today. If we look at it right here and we look at the puts, it's a metric shitload on the put side. Like if you look at this year, the volume that's been traded on the put side today on this thing is pretty high. 4,600 on the 750s and the 5s. But either way, these are so cheap that it's not going to trigger all that in terms of bulk orders. It's probably not going to be that crazy. It's up 74% today. So again, it would just make sense if you were about to see Jimmy new highs. A lot of people playing puts on like a reversion play. I want to type in caps. You can do whatever you want, pal. You can do whatever you like. Yeah, Jimmy's ripping up here nicely. Rip, 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 rip. Jimmy to 152. Come on. Spy moving up here. Tiger. Tiger, Tiger. Nope. You bought Nile and holding a bag now? Why'd you do that, though? You guys got to learn to not FOMO. Don't FOMO. If you didn't get it before it had a big run, you don't need it. Jimmy's running right here. All right, let's see. Spy's just slowly climbing its way up here. 1870 on Amy, looking decent. Is Spy gonna? Oh, I feel like I'm about to get a cramp. That sucks. I hate cramps. Let's see. Come on, Amy. Jesus, Amy, run. She's trying, dude. She's really trying to get up there. She's really, really, really trying. Jimmy's trying to get to 152. D Green, thank you so much for the super, buddy. You think puts on the Spy because of the Fed this week? You're gonna have time to react to it. So there's no real reason to, unless who's speaking? Is there anybody speaking tonight? Kashkari is gonna speak tonight. Kashkardi speaking tonight. But I mean, you're gonna have enough time really to just play it out because Thursday is going to be the real big day. Tomorrow's pretty big in terms of like, what are we getting? Bullard? No. We don't get Bullard. We get Mary Daly, Evans, and Bostic tomorrow. So if they're going to say anything wild, you're going to see the market move. Ooh. Amy, 1877. Come on, pal. Jimmy, 152.06, up 7.5% today. Boom. There we go, everybody. Max Payne this week is 1850. Everything should be getting a nice little bump up here, especially with the Spy running like this. Let's see. Again, guys, as you're filtering in here, if you don't mind hitting that like on the stream, you guys are absolutely crushing it today. I really appreciate that. Let's see. Let's get some more people in here going into close. We got 34 minutes to go. 1875 on the Amy, looking a little bit spicy. $18.78. Come on. Jimmy's still moving up here. Why is the Spy running? I didn't see any news. I honestly didn't see a whole lot of news on it. Yeah, nothing. And they're still not filling me on target. That's just funny. I said 7.5 for crack. What is that? With 7.5, what? What's Amy and Jimmy Ortex? All right, I'll talk about that right now.
Amy. Net return of 490,000 shares, 19.44% estimated short interest, 1.96% average cost to borrow, 2.13% max cost to borrow. Jimmy, what do we got? 19.98% estimated short interest, 8.11% average cost to borrow, 9.26% max. That's what we got over here on Jimmy. Pedro, thanks for the super, buddy. Was that you DMing me for crypto on Truth Social? No, I don't have a Truth Social account. Is there a version of me on Truth Social right now? That's wild. It's not me. I don't have a Truth Social account. And again, guys, this is my real Instagram account right here. There's been a lot of fake accounts popping up and DMing people. So this is my real Instagram. If you guys are on Instagram, none of the other ones are real. None of them are me. That's the only real one right there. So if you want to follow me, that's the one. I'll try to follow some of you guys back after the stream. But there's no other ones that are real. NZT, thanks for the super, buddy. Can you explain how selling covered calls works? Yes. So for every 100 shares you have, you can sell the right to somebody else to buy the shares from you. That makes sense. So you're entering into an agreement saying, hey, I'm willing to, let's say a stock is trading at 100 and you own 100 shares. You're saying, hey, I'm willing to sell you these shares at $110, but you have to pay me for that. That's how covered calls work. If it goes above that 110 or whatever it is, then you sell your calls at 110 or your shares at 110. And then you get to keep the premium as well that you were paid. There is no downside risk. Though, okay, so the downside risk is that you lose the shares and the stock skyrockets and you don't get that gain. That's the downside risk. 1880 on Amy over here. We're 5 cents off the day high. Tiger's moving down a little here like it did yesterday. 1,400 viewers and only 400 likes. No, we're at like almost 800 likes right now. If you guys got the afternoon stream to 1,000 likes, that'd be fucking crazy. Oh my God, Amy, dude, it's at the day high right here. It's at the new day highs on Amy over here, starting to run. I love it. Come on, 19. Here we go. Come on, get it to 19. We're 14 cents away from hitting 19. Then we can look at Don Julio, 1942. Come on. We're getting there. New day high, 1887, looking good. Keith, thanks for the super, buddy. Look at all your social impersonators as multiverse versions of you. It's more fun that way. You are in the MCU, Jack. No, I'm not. Those are like the bad demon versions of me that are trying to steal people's money. No, I'm not going to play Netflix earnings today. How are we moving this much on no volume? Volume's a result, not a cause. Volume doesn't really matter. If you have buyers willing to buy more at higher prices than the sellers are currently willing to sell them at, then the price will go up. That's why this thing with the shares on loan right now, the average days on loan is weird because it's suggesting that they're not shorting right now. They're like it's just market maker derivative bullshit nonsense going on. Honestly, it's probably dark pool nonsense. $21, that'd be pretty sweet. All right, so we got 1887 right now on Amy. We got SPY moving up a little bit here. Tiger's coming down a little bit, which is kind of chitty, but it's still up 2.88% on the day. Let's see. Come on, 1888. Come on, breaking that 1890 and then starting to run towards 19 would be spicy. We got that 5-minute MACD cross too. Same thing with Jimmy. Jimmy's at 152.07, looking solid here. We got about 29 minutes left to go as well. Come on. So you say price is a reflection of supply and demand. Yeah, the volume could be 1 on the day, but if that trade went through at 100, then the price that day would be 100. But that would entice more people to start trading, if that makes sense. That's why volume's the result of not a cause. So they see it and then they filter in. 1890, new day high. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, Amy. You can do it. I believe in you, Amy. Come on, let's go. Somebody turned the dark pool button off. I guess so. All right. Tiger Skull. Jimmy making new highs over here looking good. SPY is moving up here. Amy and Jimmy are both. Oh, Jimmy's pumping here. 152.89 on Jimmy, up 8% right now. Amy's up 8% as well. 18.88 right now, up $1.40 today, looking spicy. Woo! Jimmy's up $11.42 today. Solid, man. Running today. Absolutely running right now. Let's see. You got my email? I didn't email you, buddy. SPY moving up here again. Amy, 1890. Come on, let's crack that 19. Jimmy's still running here. $11.40 up today. Very solid. On your mark, get set. Max pain must be 19. It's 1850 right now. I'll be glad when you say Amy's up $11. Okay, fair. Yeah, Amy's getting a nice pump here. Amy's in the gym getting a nice pump. 19, yeah, it's trying. Jimmy didn't like that candle. Tiger's coming back up, though. The Tiger King. That's me. I am Joe Exotic. You don't have to free me. I've already been freed. Okay, 1885 looking good, man. This is a nice day. Ended up so far. This is a solid day so far, man. Pump up the jams. Nice. Funny. SPY call up 125%. Bing bong. Nice. Jimmy's coming back down a little bit here, but Amy's holding at 1887, looking good. Is the danger zone between 22 and 24? There is a danger zone there. That is where one of the danger zones is. There's like it's just like where the shorts were kind of coming in, but right now they're just not doing it. Maybe you're 3% on the day. That's real solid, man. Good for you. Good for you, dude. All right, guys. Again, as you're filtering in here, dude, we are almost at 1,000 likes on the afternoon stream. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate that. 1888. This is how we get the streams out and the word out about Amy. Make sure we're engaging with. It doesn't have to be my videos, but all your favorite creators' contents. Make sure you're engaging with those videos. Get the word out. If we're gonna go on another run again here, I mean, we want more people to know about the entirety of the fucked up market that we're in right now. 1889 on 91, new day high. Come on. I want it to just shoot off the screen. She's looking spicy here. Learning a lot with Gabe today. Did you miss ankles? You didn't miss ankles. You didn't miss ankles. But again, guys, you guys are getting that free access until the end of the month with the Discord. And very soon you're getting that proprietary trading algorithm, the bot that actually trades by itself. With all of the actual like rules programmed into it. And again, over 40 private live streams every single month. If you guys want access to that, and 400 stocks are alerted on the 1348. You guys know the deal. The link to that is in the top of the live chat. You do have to sign up through the Patreon, but you won't get charged until the beginning of next month. So you're good to go. Jimmy's coming back down to the 13 here. 1885 on Amy. SPY looks all right here. Come on, Tiger. Get back up to 247. It literally let me get out of this call and make it free. My ex is Carol Baskin. Oh, if I'm Joe Exotic, does that no? Don't Carol Baskin and Joe Exotic hate each other? Isn't Joe Exotic gay too? That would make a lot of sense. I think that's all messed up. I don't think that makes any sense. That if I'm Joe Exotic, my ex is Carol Baskin. Did they like try to kill each other? Like this is. All right, let's see. Let's see. AMC calls are printing today. I mean, good for you, man. 1880 right now. Came down a little bit. SPY's holding. Jimmy's trying to bounce off that 13. I mean, we got a little bit of time left. If we want to get that push to 19, they might be saving it for the end of the day to get that last final push to get us above that 90. Cat's pumping. Ooh, is it now? That Caterpillar's running up. Running. Push it to the limit. Wait. Oh, that's disappointing. The Tigers are up 84% now. That's kind of shitty. Were there any live streams today on Discord? I believe there were 2 of them. I believe there were 2 of them. All right, SPY coming up here again. Caterpillar's running up. Let's see. Don't all X's try to kill each other with luck? Yeah, I don't think so. Caterpillar's running though, man. Let's see. SPY is running up nicely too. Jimmy's getting a nice little pop here. Come on, Amy. Your turn. Let's go. Amy, it's your time to shine. Come on. You could do it. Just liked my post on Truth Social. I'm not on Truth Social. I do not have a Truth Social account. Where's Tiger? It's trying. SPY's coming up nicely, though. Come on, Amy. You can do it. You can do it, Amy. I believe in you. I believe in you. All right, let's 19 would be spicy. What are you seeing on the options chain right now that you're going absolutely ballistic that you think we're going to run? The options chain is not set up like it was in June at all. 0. Not even close. Like not, what about May? Are you looking at May? No, the option chain is not at all set up like it was in June. Can it get there? Yes. Is it set up like that right now? No. What are you looking at? I've seen a lot of different accounts coming in and saying like the option chain is looking crazy. And it's like, it's not. It's the hopium infused crack. Okay, that's fair. That could be the issue too. Push it to the limit. Options chain. Options. What is your Truth Social handle? I don't have one. I do not have one. All right, Amy 1878 over here. Let's see. He's a bot in power. Okay. Okay, then. Is your put printing on Sev? Is it tanking right now? I mean, yeah, the IV on it's probably crazy, bro. I don't know how you're printing on it, but good for you. Let's see. Thanks for the ankle picks on Truth Social. You're welcome, I guess. I get you're welcome. It wasn't me. Wasn't me. Honestly, very happy with the run we had today. $1 a day keeps the hedgies away. Yeah. Just tuned in. Pleasant surprise above 18. Yeah, man. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Yeah, all you guys tuning in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot over here. Let's see. Amy resting after her run to sprint to 19 at close. It could. He said it a million times. He has an Instagram and OnlyFans. I don't have an OnlyFans. Somebody made an OnlyFans as like as a joke to get free Discord for a year. Happy birthday. It's also not my birthday. Took your profits from Ethereum. You bought more AMC and Palantir and paid yourself. Watch out for the tax man. Taxman hurted me today. Not really. These ones, the ones that went through today were like the not bad ones. But let me see if they did it yet. I'm trying to look and see if they did it. No, they haven't done it yet. They haven't taken it yet. It's there. The checks are written. They have them. They just need to take it. All right, let's see. 1873 on Amy. Tell me where he hurt you. The government taking my money. Fuck him. Is Taxman Mikey? Nah, Taxman's not Mikey. Mikey's just a sussball. Mikey used to somebody who was winning sus super of the day. Pro tip: don't pay taxes. The money you earned is not theirs. True, but I'd rather not end up in like tax jail. Mikey is Max Payne.
I guess.
Just woke up. Oops. Well, you're waking up to some nice price action, buddy. Stock up good, tax man bad. Yeah, I like what I see though. Yeah, we're doing good right now. Trying to get that close above 19. We got about 18 minutes left to go. Let's see what we're gonna get. But he taxes it a different way. Amy, fucking crime candle. We are not, Amy, what have we gone over today? We need you to act in a way that allows us to trust you. If you continually perform actions that don't allow us to trust you, then we're going to have trust issues. That's just how it works. Amy, we cannot have you start being well behaved and making us feel good. And then all of a sudden, you just start doing other shit. This is not how it works. Remember how they call it Al Capone, tax evasion? Yeah, they're going to catch a 22-year-old crack dealer. I was just kidding. All right. Trust broken. Yeah, once the trust is broken, Amy, it's going to be hard to get it back. You're going to need to do some pretty wild things to get our trust back. Let's see. Paul, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. 5 trades using 1348, all green. Attaboy, man. I'll get you out of trouble. Trust me, bro. Yeah, Al Capone, you got out of all the trouble besides tax trouble, and that's like the worst trouble to have. Well, unless you have like lots of charges against you, that would stink, but you know. Four-hour trend seems to four touch trend seems to be back on Amy on the 5-minute. Not really. Where did you see the 4 touches? Hello. What's going on? What's up, Christopher? How you doing? Not much. We're just coming up. You've seen fines of $20,000 for not paying taxes. Yep, that's not fun. Nope, no, I don't want any of that shit. All right, 15 minutes to go here, folks. 15 minutes to go. Again, if you guys haven't already, hit that like on the stream. Thank you guys so much to those of you guys who have done that today. Amy's like the hot girl that can slap you down, but you stay with her because she's so hot. Yeah, or you just don't. Jack, move. Where do you want me to go? You've been audited twice. That sounds like the worst experience of your entire life. I would just be like, I don't know, bro. That's literally what I was thinking. I was be like, if I ever got audited like at this age, I'd just be like, I don't know, bro. I'm doing my best. Why can't you just tell me what I owe you? Like, why can't you just send it in the mail? Just be like, here's what you owe. And just be like, pay us this. Why do I have to hire somebody that has to figure it out and then tell me, and then I pay them so I can pay you? It's just double tax. It's like, okay, whatever. Rejection off the 4-hour 48 EMA, looking for a close above the weekly 200. What is it, 1850 something or 1840? Or the weekly was like 1840 something, I thought. Or 1853. Yeah, so we're 10 cents above it right now on the weekly 200. But you're not going to get a closing candle, though. Like, if we close the week above there, that'd be nice. Everything looking better today. It is. Big buyout groups rule out writing equity check for Musk 43 billion Twitter bid. Interesting. Let's see. Yeah, Paul. Also, thanks for that super, buddy. I appreciate that. Yeah, the weekly, it won't be a closing candle until the end of this week. They know what you owe because if you figure it out wrong, they'll tell you and penalize you. Right. But like that's nonsense. Just tell me. Just tell me. You can control your income to some degree depending on how much you write off. Low income, low tax. I could. It's just I just didn't. I was just like, I'll pay it. 50 basis points is a lot though. Not comparatively in terms of what we need. STV's next school presentation will trigger the MOAS. Dario, do you know when it is? Do you know when my next presentation is, buddy? It's Thursday. Your parents are gonna call you. You're like, "What's this I hear about you selling crack on the internet?" We're talking about the stock market. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think sometimes my dad will pop in and watch. Sometimes he just won't. I don't think my mom is like doesn't really know what I'm doing. Sort of does. She's called it a podcast before. If my dad was like, "You're talking about crack," he'd be like, "You need to sound more professional. What are you doing?" That's how it would react. That's literally would be the conversation. It'd be like, "Stop swearing. Stop talking about crack." All right, let's see. 1868 on Amy over here. We got SPY doing its thing. I hold no options overnight. Well, I'm holding my Tigers. Tiger. Nonsense. Let's see. The IRS is actually supposed to. It'd be that would put accountants out of business. Well, no, because then they could still figure out the write-offs. Like the IRS is not going to be like, here's what you owe, but you could not pay it. Like you need 2 years of tax return for self-employed income to qualify for good loans. It's no. They still won't do it. Even if it's self-employed for 2 years, they like W-2 because they're like, it's stable. And it's like, is it though? Tell me he doesn't understand. No, not gonna do that. I'll get beaten. All right, let's see. 1871 on Amy over here. Alerts sounding off. Blackstone decided against equity check for Musk Twitter bid. What's Twitter doing on that? I mean, that's news. Nada. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. It's like, I can pay the loan. I'll just use the income. Literally, I'll just be like, I'll qualify the income that the property produces as part of the loan. That requires like work that I would have to do anyway. So might as well. Oh yeah, and like selling children, like they'd be like, "What are you doing?" I'd be like, this gets." Sometimes it's slow. Let's see. Oh, AMC it's 35 by the 29th. That would be great, man. Just move to Puerto Rico. I don't want to though. Oh, SPY new highs. SPY new highs. Is Tiger gonna get a little poppy pop off this? Nope. A little. Elon's talking about Bitcoin now. Elon will buy Bitcoin. Let's see. This wouldn't be fun without all that stuff. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. We gotta have some level of fun over here. All right, let's see. Damn, people. You guys almost got it to 900 likes on the afternoon. Fucking, you guys are crazy. Thank you. I appreciate that. You're taking the wife to Caterpillar this weekend? Aren't Caterpillars like forklifts and stuff and like bulldozers? Like, what are you talking about? Construction of mining equipment, diesel and natural gas engines, industrial gas turbines, and diesel electric automotives. Hey, Dario, I don't mean to sound like an asshole, but you suck at picking where you want to take your wife on a date. You literally could just go to Target. Why are you? Hey, honey, let's go look at heavy machinery. Oh, all right, this is what we're gonna do this weekend. How about this? Imagine that conversation, dude. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go look at bulldozers. I knew he was gonna say Target. You know me too well. Maybe that's where she wants to go. I would say there's a low probability of that. She knows you want to farm. Yeah, but do you need that? It's like industrial equipment, though. It's like for giant jobs, isn't it? Like I imagine this being like some warehouse that's just got like giant bulldozers, and you're just like, no, let's go. Like a Home Depot, but just with like heavy machinery. Like when they say don't operate heavy machinery, the Caterpillar thing is what they're talking about. Thanks, Have Greeks. Dario, sorry. I just think there's better options out there. It's like saying, I'm going to go to Moe's. And it's like, well, what if there's a Chipotle right next to it? And it's like, no, I'm still going to Moe's. It's like, well, there's a better option right next door. They have residential equipment. That makes more sense. But you see what I'm saying? I thought you were trying to make a joke. Brandon's pumping cat. No, thanks. I don't. That just triggered me. Why are we looking at tractors? Because they were printing this week. Oh, that's great. That would be hilarious. Yeah, but you said to take them when you were making money. Yeah, Target, Lulu, Ulta, like stuff like that. Yeah, M Crease could go to the cat place, but like, where are you gonna put it? Like, unless you're on like a farm, which Dario said he was going to go to. Dario, what are you getting though? You just sold your cat for 145%. There you go. Day traders dumping? Maybe. We still got 5 minutes left. I woke up M Creeks. M Creeks heard me talking shit about heavy machinery. She was like, nope, not gonna have this. Great SUV. My sexism triggered Amy. How is me thinking that taking a significant other to a heavy machinery place on a date sexist? I just think that's not a date location. She definitely would rather go to Target or Lulu. Thank you. Yeah, we are day trading. Are we selling though? You were saying that because your cat calls are printing. See? Ha. Now, everybody, bite your tongue. Look who is right now. DOJ been quiet? They're always quiet. What? Women can't like heavy machinery? It's not what I'm saying. They can. It just doesn't make sense to go on a date there. But I do want to farm. That wasn't a joke. Yeah. Not every day wants to go to Olive Garden. Bro, you know how many times I've gone to Olive Garden? Like once. Doesn't Olive Garden make you go to the bathroom? Trade shows? What's a trade show? Hey, if they like it, that's fine. I mean, I'm just saying low probability of like it wouldn't be what I would pick. Just that's putting it out there. 1860 closing. Yeah, we're at 1864. Tiger. Wait, that's cat. I was gonna say, what the fuck happened to Target? Target's still looking good. Actually, I love Olive Garden. All right, have Creeks. Small crafts. That sounds cool. SC best stream on the internet. I laugh all day. I mean, I could try to be more funny. It's just it would probably offend a lot of people. This is darkest. That was just racist. Oh, I squeaked. I squeaked. Did you hear that? I couldn't breathe. I got issues. I don't know what a trade show is. Try me. I'm hard to offend. Let it fly. We'll see. 2 minutes left to go here, people in the market today. I got a very interesting video coming out for you guys later at 6 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you guys got notifications turned on for that. I'm going to Olive Garden with Mikey. I'm not going anywhere with Mikey. I'll be like, all right, Mikey, we're going to this location. And then it's going to be a school zone. And then Mikey can't come. It's just going to be like, he's going to see me from a distance and then just be like, oh, shucks, can't go. All right, less than a minute here. All right, let's see. Flicker, flicker, flicker. Am I going to stream earnings? Not today, no. Maybe Snap. If we're playing one, we'll stream it. Let's see. Amy, 1865. I mean, it should be closing any second now. Does anybody have the countdown? What did M. Creek say? To be young and innocent like STV. That's me. Young and innocent. Definitely. Is there an extra fee for the live notification? No, you just click the notification bell and you're good to go. If you want to get more of my analysis and breakdown, you'll be the first to know. 1870, not bad, man. What are we up? 7% on the day? Oh! We got the ding ding. Ding, ding, ding. Market is closed. Damn, guys. You guys almost got that to 1,000 likes at the end of the day. You absolute crazy people. All right, everybody. That was a fun day. Little bit of nonsense. I did that presentation. Thank you guys for sticking with me until the end of the day. Again, if you guys do want to get the little free trial period to the Discord, the link's in the top of the live chat over there. You guys have heard me talk about it a lot. You've heard me. You know exactly what we're offering in there. If you guys do want to go see it, we are coming out with that algorithm, the bot that actually trades by itself with all of the rules input into it. So you're going to see it exactly what the bot does. I mean, the bot's had a really high win percentage over the past couple of weeks. So yeah, if you sign up through the Patreon, you don't have to, you won't get charged until the beginning of next month. So you get a free little grace period, but this is going to be the last time that we're going to be doing that for a while. So if you guys do want to come in and kind of test it out, this is the time to do it if you guys are interested. So again, people, that was a fun day. I'll have a video out for you guys at 6 p.m. Eastern tonight. Other than that, everybody, make sure you hit that like button on the way out. Turn on notifications so you get notified of everything. And peace.